106.3. Feeling it deep.
Yes, you know, you know,
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Yes, you know, pure water, 20 pesos. Yes, you know, pure water, waha.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Yes, you read here, so Adom Sokooo papa bi. Fachichiri was now any and carbon in and free one. Yes, you read here, so
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Yes, cause ya no Mekoni Jane papa bi tobacco na me fan shemu ma wai. Buy one get one free. Cause ya no.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Se feeling it deep dia and Accra Kaneshi inside. Yes, Kaswa Malam Janshe. Oyalo. Auntie Oyalo.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Yes, La Paz, Malam Junction inside. But towns in India, baby, I'm the M. de Pie, Caresio dog. How do they go from what you chin your man? I'm watching your man, no, where did your mouth to say yes? I know now I sign. Would do cycle on him now? Where is one of them? I sign. Caresio dog. We are getting one gun fast. As well, I can't help you. I didn't agree no more. I can't quite now, Fred or Banner or Banner in the formula. Bama so Fred or Bama no so in the formula. Oh, Fred Banner not in the formula or Baba Joe. Bama no so Baba Jintia Crash Stay by Plan. As I went through lawyer officer. Who do lawyer officer? Format no, format more, format name on him say Aben. I said, what do I say? I do police station. Was a police officer no on duty? No, na kuma mnuaye. Erade me da was you. I set it rough. I did it. What now when you asem ni ebejo? Ena de onya asem no so ebeje no. Na o mobile ho de e de kra ne se mobile no officer no. Ofre party no do akoshe ho na ono wadi nkomo we be me so o ye be give bia be fa. Upia ya party bi nso ba men so bibia be fine. Eti me enu ni nyina na bibia be fine. Hwan na ewi ni na hwan na elusu. Obe officer na ni di nkoma ase wo case ndi wo na wa wi ni ha no. Eno e ban sa na wo tua dia wo hwe left and right wo tua ne mod. Onim so we dia wa wi ni. Party bi nso ba no nso abetua. Ti afa edu ani e hwe di otua kese. The highest bidder takes it all. Ghana, Accra, stay by plan. So whatever your dream is, whatever your plan is, and kraha utnaha na uni plana ubebre. And kraha sa utnaha na pese uye yenkwa dia. You gotta stay here with a plan. Cause Accra stay by plan. Say what they were planning and think kwa dia bedre nyumre na so anya kakra sha. Oh dia be chire. Hey, Kadeshi Odoko inside.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it.
Yeah, I don't pay me kwado also. I mean, ya osa any bread of my chimbe 5 a.m. na year 2. I mean, pepper near 2 and I do not much about 5 a.m. There is a bobe 8 most heat in a film to I am not the harbor say home. A young joy, Nishian acquire a honor. What the answer about Timajinka Canada, or the year. What the imagine who here crass all this kind of beefy or the tito bread in a sorrow, and I'm heating into both imagine a roco down, not heating and no. But your sugar, the penny baby, a pen cacre, my sugar in them cacre. When I'm milk, go. I'm out for a chicken bench. Good morning to you, Mema watching. Mesama wa kwaba at the bedroom, dear friend, Memeneda Sokooo. We are here till 12 in the midday. Now, you're not starting to say, do I you? And you're easy. Organis! As well. Ejumanesi. Memeneda Sokooo yabo. Ejumanesi. Memeneda Sokooo yabo. Yaba. Ejumanesi. Oh, Ejumanesi, Mr. Yankson, Ejumanesi, yeah, Ejumanesi, Memeneda Sokooo, Adiachu, Ejumanesi, so, Organis. Trust now what boy na mo yo me pa chow and show we the opesa with radio subia on a Saturday morning no ya prepare your home say show we be ma unzo afili ankasa ba ni nyina mu no ya do be kira fatan kakra ni ahwe ba bia nyoma papa ne bo from so atumi na yatumi ahu ba bia ni nyina ahyehye ne yatumi ahu bi ne yatumi ato afeyin so no ade ba ko ahu hia me pa e wo mabra bomu about wo ene say da ne da no wo betumi anya hoden mapa na wo de asori agina na so no watumi akọ wadwuma so watumi ahwe wabusua wo so watumi live the life you want to live no watumi live a dream ankasa but ade ba ko a etumi ha nipa da sani ama yentumi live a dream yade Yade yo. Yade tumi ma openi dani akwada. Yade tumi obi ehye ne ho pa. Otumi mo bokra. Masa yade yo. Onyamie behwe uma. Yade yo. Erade behwe uma. Yeah, dear to me, my penny aquada. Yeah, dear to me, Mosi Kenny here. Yeah, dear to me, more day for your breath. Yeah, dear to me, more deeper, yeah, I'm wing. Irade Centre ni ure da di as well Jesus a home of bread as well Doctor Abadi Sawa home so the air. Hello, Doctor A. Hello, Doctor A. Doctor Janio. Doctor Atimenka. She, maybe a wrong line. Doctor Money. Morning. Doctor, not know we said that may be a wrong line.
All right.
Na bibi aboko de.
Obadiana Adom, so what's in kind there? Na ahwadeno boko.
Doctor Abodje se papa ne ne twetwe nkomo. Doc, anopedi that's so anya ready amayen. Last week, semi reminisce. Na me go back in time. na me pese me relive last week in today. Me kai say you started yen common no. Last week anopa udi banku.
Last week anopa me see me di banku any menkwan. Any vegetarian product like soya product. As
well. Doc, and then yen shall not pay. Anope minim sa wotena a wo hwe patients bebre wo ni adagye kra na anope bobe no wetu
as usual but na dem asesem any nkruma nkwan any emre any soya product
everybody na doctor when you be too much na nkruma no mo twetwa anya ado agu mu ana say ye nkruma no nko a
Nyadua wom, kokomba wom, you know, vegetable different types. Now,
na mpacho mudi enguzomi na mudi ye ya na.
Enguzomi.
Ready. Ena against Benkupa. Ready, Doctor Minyawaye Saturday anopa. Minyawaye pa. I swear. Yo, na adwuma form wo ayaresa wura heba obi ahoye de. Mieda say yadia etumi ma nipa kra dani akwada opani dani akwada yadia etumi ma obi ode ne ho pa na afi wadani obrefo ankasa yadia nye o wanhwe yadia etumi sesa obi hye brempo doc ti anope ye frɛ wa enya ne bone so se ne be ya pomode hu sembesi piasita because a healthy nation can only be built by a healthy people ti anope ye frɛ wa na ye baba baji eye nkyiremu afiri wo se ne be ya pomode ho nsem ebesipi na esita doc boy enkomo
yo na atiefo ana so ya damase ya ji akonwa etie esan ya pomoden yen so ayeye adwuma ya de radio atoho ya pomoden tia yen nyina yenim se ebia na yenyare ba ekina yedidi a yenom ye sori kwa adwuma ko adwuma den ebanko ade yare eben na ya mekane se entwen enyare ansa na wape ano adro anase warehwe baabi aba akwode ayarehwe enje se utie mi enko ade a onso me no na ekasa bi fanamba no chro na to hode ya chi kwan na so to ho amwa na ebeboa ochima ebi nso ana onua bi ehia emwa ne dendenden se enamo so na se onua nya ayaresa de a ka hunu se wo kan trosam na o se womo a eboa ewi ni souls amanyankopon no market ya so stand obi a was right mem saa na se enamo so ama onua benya ayaresa nyame na ni so ye ba enti yare biara edi unya ana edi udofo binya ana odi enya ni unya na so yenwa so ne tie na fa ba ho ban na aboa wo a wotie mi yare edi unya bia no frem sese de ya tiri kwan no na efre yen sese na ene ya ntwetwe nkomo by 8 o'clock no from Monday to Friday ni atnase Saturday nso nyame adom ye adwuma by upon appointment ofre ani ehia na ya berel se utie mi a yare bia edi unya o de kan wakoma to yam na nkasa wo yare na de ukọ owuom da ma menyuma meto ni o mane a champion nyom no o sese dua no ye ntu ase na se ye twa sonko ade a obo ade ni tsedo to nso ogusu na fefe no sa na o yare na fa unko owuom no enko enam ayare Sarah Herbal Clinic ya be dwaso no ade wa ma na wo banko ade a nyame onam yeso enam ye haba ma ye di djuma so ede ne sabeka ho no ya dance die baby a obi an foka for any tell apart ye wo ni boy town opposite MMB school the number no na ye nto aso 0266 44 45 48 0266 44 45 48 Mrs. Subio 0266 44 45 48 Ana 0245 44 22 33 0245 44 22 33 Mrs. Subio 0245 44 22 33 Owe wakwa yare sabia amya katro se yare bi ana eyo o de wakono obi ba ko hode okoye no doctor hu ne eye no kra enso oyare Also, the other day, when young call baby, and also 2 nipeduamus, oh, yare and a darn dana a cosro, after a can watch a dear mamma, a PRB Piaco, you mambo, I a dear mount. Obianti, yare baba, and I'm the friend of signs and symptoms, Neso, who in the peduanum, not a bon kaya, yare abang peduanum. Ain't you a PPR, our bio radio, old chum, what the camo? Hear me. Now, effort to 2 nipeduanum who say, yare na abano. In Yasa was so 2 and a momba. Now what frame me? Now what be whom me? There be 8 o'clock, no matter transit 8 did you mass ronco. It will be a Sabi, or na Bema. I out Johnson 10 or Johnson a banner getting to Sakoti and Kakabi and not Johnson, the no Johnson. I know what show. I know why I say, ya. In Sukan can be, me can't decide if you oba now Bememo eba. What do you know? Johnson, a buy a name more pioneer, a man fem. Was it? I saw Baz a Bema. A kikawa moeti ama and swan abegun. Oh, this Anna. A child say, Yare abani pedianum. A bet me HIV. A bet me gonorrhea. A bet me syphilis. A bet me chlamydia. A bet me candiditis. Yamibody in a beer now name dear. Now, so what science no ni pedianum a child say a bubako and answer in abani pedianum. If yes, our best friend is CA. Now a book appointment aba abehome na nyame anam so amwaya dance die tie wo a 1 pound here no they are very complications they bet with their brow in the near future obama e betimi akunkwamo ano amwaya de friend no when you de friend no azoospermia wo de na nkwamo ni bi no obama no mukra na usimens na burden with men in say oba anase be mo atime wanya low sperm count wo de na bi wom ba de wom ni sa ebi kware de woman hu kakra bi na life o tie me na se we ekoso ni peduanum a tutumrika e mema ni bebra ya ware awo man e fa ejina ya infection so e ma ne so ebetimi etwa wawo ebetimi asa de e fa ni fallopian tube no ebetimi ama ekro abawa odie num ebewu na ejija scars sanso ni tubes num ama ebetimi a prevent o se obe fire fo no o tie me a oba wo pa wo a awoma na so di adanse ese ne mebubo su ni ebi koso de pedredom from CCA en koso nse ohun kwan emu from asori fie to asori fie en fa ye mpaibo yes mpaibo ye na so wo se wo ye dro se wo tie me oba ebi wo a onyinsei na sei onyinsei na sei onyinsei na sei wadwen ho o twen ama obra apa ho ansa na watu anamon ayaresara heba clinic e ka tell say unya infection no na wan pan hwe a na yetime de ba no afei so mema no ebetimi akofa de friend prostatitis abrel inflammation of the prostate later ebetimi ma prostate cancer e mema no otiemi a say bebre wono ma e yeden si yetime jonso meka urine retention unya infection no wan pan hwe ebetimi ma anya sa oha no ebefa problem abrow e prostate num afei so obao ana bema ebetimi amonya kidney infection yemu bebre o no ma yenya kidney infection ya yaden enko so o twen amye de ya kan say ye do to dialysis so anu ansa na watu anamon o na sa lower back pain usisi echi hosa aya na eya oya o me ansi so ho me na ba short ketenkete eya udon so go na etwa horo e ho na wonsam amema so ahonhon wanima honhon e wo ma na na asa tatai eya science and symptoms kidney problem ni bi wanya o tie me oba bema wa na uti fa eya gen na uti ni emu ayo dudu wani ni nya na ya oya wakoma ebo peri on sati me sensen o ye adwuma bia so ase ya bo wa na wo fa na ase wo fa ejojo se o tie me na science way ekoni so woni pedue ni ma tell say the friend high blood pressure BP no ebi aba ni pedue no entawa enya cardiac arrest enwu ansa na wakakase me yanka na de wewu awie obedan hu se wo tie me entawa ma stroke enso emetre ansa na watu anamo empo se aba ni pedue no ma eni da so ho ma kai omane champion nyom no ye ntodua na so ne ye twaso nko de a eni da so ho ma o yare no emfa wo enko owuo mu se wo tie me oba ana bema wo ho no ma okokoso hihyew oyefun benkum so e de ko eba soro osa na emu dwan me peptic ulcer ho asem wo ho a
Udidi ya unyamane, unidi so unyamane. O ba ya so ya, mu kro bia abedo yefu na bosso. Ama edidi aya di amano. Aya Sarah Heba Clinic. Me Dr. Frank Ewa, aka Dr. Abojo say one, me da no. Nyame onam so ebe wanya adanse die. Sa utie me so ba ana bema. Aya no wani ne kikaw. Wani ne aya na ya epinsuo. Ho no ma na se bi enema bia piepie wo to. Me ka pass. Uja na ya na etimoja. Se utie me na unya bleeding passer to anamo. Mema no ebetia me nya titiare. Mema no se betia me bema na ho ade adan akofom. Utie me bema. Wo the boss se sia na wafiagu. Wo de ne kra de. Wo the boss no sabi unra mu kra na wafiagu. Uhwiagu adwuma no wotime ntoa so. De ka ko se hwe an obi antoa wadwuma so ama no aka se me hoyanka. Wo de no ono ho ka ni sia enso na ebi ma. Wo de na beba kra na ya na ketewa bi. Se utie me banso a anka nwesa na nka nsori na to adwuma de ne so utie me bema ujina na so bema ne de owo so na irema ne ho sepe no enti se wo sika dan ma da wo bema ne mu adwuma onya bema utie me na sexual week de de onyanko atu anamon ebetimi so amonya prostate ya kan se problem ni bi ye mo bebe ho ma ya prostate cancer na enlargement na ya bema enya adwuma o sa so ekoso ni pedwe no ma fremesisi ya na ne me den eni enkomo eya okotoje na ya oya wachiri dompe ana ya oya usisi ana ya oya wabeti emugu nanta ya din ama waposo na ya oya osteoarthritis rheumatoid arthritis gout na edi unya ya rebia edi unya amanonefo mate dene akwanya ho no ma bebefa so enya enro ne bi enti se oti amanone na ya edi unya ma unya kwan ye adwuma ma ho ntaw enso ho no din so obenya ye no ebia wo de frɛ also fresh see akonya ho no ma ya betimi ama wonsa aka endro ni bi na also wetimi anya hoden no wadi ujuma ewo ho ya so ewo omamu ha ye mbebe ho no ma se betu anamo akwaya resabia na den eta ye position bi a ewo wadwuma wo saafo ne nso ya begya so mo bibiara frɛ na fa ho ha ne dane yen akonya ho no ye be fa sa nso benya ayaresa obi biara a wotie me wotifa ako a wote wade so ema yare enyi ne pedua no emmo nyame wa boy se yanyare enunti no se ye ni aduaba no ne yafa na hahan no ensa yare ebia wonim ahaba ya betimi abo amonya wa yaresa enunti no nyame nam ayaresa Heba Clinic so abedwa so te na tibiara no obade no nam ye nupa ye wo so e de ne nsa be kan amonya adanse die ubu nsa no wa ya serew ema no ubu nsa no wa ya serew ama obosu me be so anu wanu dem Safo ni nyinara ya pedwa so amo bibiara entra ho emma yare enye onipadua no enye dan emmo so eye Johnson tantem na o Johnson kakra bia na o Johnson esukom de on tantem e ho na o mrase are o tie me eya na on sa no wo on sa ne sensen on anti anase ase de o tie tie atechem ase de bibi wo on ase eya na on so se ye wie makwagu ho eya na on ase so se o tie me na koso ni pedua no ma tu anama e so ma diabetes enye oni pedua no emmo so o de no ama ekro abeda ho ekro no enwu o tie me na se diabetes ama okro o so tu anama ya ka kosi se many way betimi aka nsem ne nya wa fidie ne so na so de aka kosi ni se wo ha obiara frɛ yɛn ne fa bedan yɛn me de number no to dwabio de prenatro na frɛ me de bra na yɛn hwɛ wo na so bɛka adanse difo no 0266 44 45 48
okay
0266 44 45 48 Ana 0245 44 22 33 0245 44 22 33 Utie me Odie no yamutim ajo ne pedua na boso Obi wo 1 week ansa no akote afi da na ne tie ne ya bra so e ne nyame on fire so e dan emwa e ya ne muka ana abaje wo ne pedua na boso halitosis o segu so na so bio no kasa na ya twetwe yanwen ni nyina tu ana ma ayaro se Heba Clinic ya beja so amo bibiara o te fa akwa atwa de so fra yen ne nyame on fire so e ma on ye adanse de bi da wo tie me a aha ani ayaro sankasa ahemfie fra me ya na ma se menua That's it. So you better also. It's every anyway bit in your car and sending now FDN so.
But yes, Dr. About you saying that's a pass when you're Rama and Anope.
All right.
I mean, Carl, have a great weekend. Doctor, see a mini hot the canina and you know, I see a mini hot. Doctor, you too, right? A mini wampa. And camera, this is Memeneda Sokooo. Right here on Adom 106.3 in action. It is action time.
You need that bender, you can be the next. You move on change in reverse. Shine off deck. Kotoko just in so white in a one pair, paint in the red. Your best say north south is to the west. In your rest in the cold when I feel when the day. Daddy need chop money, oh ye man, mommy, no mommy, oh your best cook in the world. On the mood, you do not know the soon. She said, dear boy, they would have almost before. Will be the obstacle, pick us, bring shovel, new level, new devil, one get the hoop. Keep on, keep on. Move on, help me sing this song. One more, no so you can take tall. A chinny be no so bag at 10 strong. That's all.
See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. We know you no bag a long time. We know you no bag a long shot. Action time. We know you no bag a long time. We know you no bag a long shot. Breaking crime. We know you no bag a long shot. We know you no bag a long time. Action time. We know you no bag a long shot. We know you no bag a long time. Breaking crime.
Ajogo.
Mr. JP.
Ajogo. She asked no biala na na blabo. Esa wa bone bimpana wa tapo. Ndo kite wumpana wa leja ko wate mo rapa wa yelupana wa tapo. Adi me start up me time in my first rhyme and my rap more skip it dining. Obi de mo flow ko mo be design. This against the gold the public for me and mining. You gra a fraud mono tungum. A rush shahin chawo wumbu. A try stealing tum. Someone from Yamin nejina wa me hu. Begin a danger nature. Matter be careful na my blappy. Police so Genevieve. Obiam put to choma mo kwame ahin.
See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. We know you no bag a long time. We know you no bag a long shot. Action time. We know you no bag a long time. We know you no bag a long shot. Breaking crime. We know you no bag a long shot. We know you no bag a long time. Action time. We know you no bag a long shot. We know you no bag a long time. Breaking crime. We know you no bag a long time. We know you no bag a long shot. Action time. We know you no bag a long time. We know you no bag a long shot. Breaking crime. We know you no bag a long shot. We know you no bag a long time. Action time. We know you no bag a long shot. We know you no bag a long time. Breaking crime. Swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need.
Adom FM, all the hits and more. and more.
Just to tell you, say my love. Remember, I tell you, say they make my heart make my body. Because you love me so, with you everything is well. We could be together forever. Shake the game with my lover. Nobody can separate us. People they ask me why I they love you like this? Them don't say me, I just they waste my time. If I make you the mother of my kids, yeah. You know I love you, girl. You know I the bad do you, girl. They ask me why I they love you like this again. I say you are my sweetness, and I go make you my princess. Yes, God now my witness. That's why I just tell you, say my love. Remember I tell you, say they make my heart, make my heart. Because you love me so, with you everything is well. We could be together forever. Shake the game with my lover. Nobody can separate us. Remember I tell you, say they make my heart, make my heart. Because you love me so, with you everything is well. We could be together forever. Shake the game with my lover. Nobody can separate us.
Dozen flowers, bed of roses, Cupid stories, love amazing, everything blazing. Me and you together, it's like we are searching. Honeymoon feelings, strings are touching, no more fronting. It's you I want thing. People I'm beating, but I'm not sending. See this love, I don't want to see the ending. Yeah. You know that I'm just cannot live without you. There's nothing in this whole world I will not do. I'll sing the 7 seas for you. Anything you want me to do. Make way.
Remember I tell you so, make my heart beat. Because you love me so, with you everything is well. We could be together forever. Shake the game with my lover. Nobody can separate us. Remember I tell you so, they make my heart beat. Because you love me so, with you everything is well. We could be together forever.
Good morning to you, man, like Brima inside a Shaliboche Lakeside Estate. Mutumina yade, mekache, mudangua. Okay, this is Adom 106.3 FM. And to our Muslim brothers and our Muslim sisters, Jack Ghana Damasi Rough. It's answer mo fasting and one day could tie in. Mabo Muhammad de pa 1 month fasting ain't easy. But Allah Edi Mutui was signed the Mosi Boko. And what demonia sum jemwa. Yemfa aye and fama Allah. Why be pa? So to all our Muslim brothers and sisters, we say kudos to you. Why? It's answer easy. 1 month fasting. Papa bi otemani anopa fra anopa 6 kwako si awia to fasting kra jai udi agro be twa hwe ahwe from anopa to adwumre masaja you eje is my idea kudos to all Muslim brothers and sisters. Yeah, but fasting is very good. Fasting is very, very good. I'll be telling you much about fasting and the health benefits. Say oh yeah, fasting now a boy a fin in a fruit system, I tell you. Oh, you're fasting, and my own cry for more. Say, oh, you're fasting, boama u shape no kura yi no homo. The fasting there is good pa. You very fast no come later. But me patcha wo ye awofo na wutie me. Na se wo ba awie eye school. Opese okonanim ewa adesua mu. Ebi opese okọ university. Opese okonanim wa adesua mu a akwanya kase pa na abade amano a se oba no de ne ho be hye se adwumade mu bi na se otumi hwia ade yetumi admit no level 200 ewo ye public and private university. This is a great news for obi bi opeso sua de ekonanimu o ye parent na wotie me o ye student na wotie me na opese wo ko school na wo konkan pa wa de sua mu a baby ba ko pe na ye kanfo de ama wo me do ba wura ho sisi me do ba wura ho sisi eno anti na me wa ha me be kire ba bi anioma papa pa ewa onkonko hase ho kra. Auntie Joyce me ma wachi o. Auntie Joyce me ma wachi o. Na bibia boko de.
Nyame adom boko pa mpacho na wonso.
So dollars ba onko na odi. Dollars e ba.
Me to be ya.
We the what ye bi o so say to be ba what ye jame because
every never ba obehu mi enche bia.
Me ba fie baby sa wase ne ese aka coins nko coins na aka.
Devi. Eh, me nyambe ma power pa na coins.
Ba sister Joyce onim se minimu fie.
Ai.
Enye mu fie ho na wura ma wo bie main gate and so wura meboa. Meboa na. Osiri say na your radio so osiri say na akwese nkofo dwen say media agroba mani bresem. Paja say. Sister Joyce.
Yes.
Enye mu fie ho na ye painti ho no.
Wa.
Enye mu fie ho na hall no wura ho obebie door and so wura ho nye ho. Sister Joyce bon say mama na my idea do. My idea do. Minimum fee rough. Minimum fee pa. Na bibia boko de.
Ya mi adom boko.
Fantastic. Na anopedi an wenye di.
Oh, anopedi say o to be pa when I say. My mo fine be pa na meti ase na say.
As well.
Me try say me need for back aside. O to be na me da yam ho kama ne. Me brown bread ne de ya na me. Healthy living penny. Na brown bread na dia na enradia. Me pacho fresh anopanna just fresh na
moton pa. Yeah, ready. Now the bibi shemu and say bread no corner no kwa na the bibi shemu twem.
Bread na
uko ni cool running.
I guess you know. Oat na the bread na you okay mama.
Sa na ba o the milk kakra so mu o the milk kakra so. Ba do ho no wanka ho. Do wanka na sugar kakra wo the sugar kakra so. E do ho ni nyina wa edit ho ni nyina ho amba ba nye.
E balance no.
Eduardo. Oba pa bombing common ni eye akwanya ni opportunity amode ma won pese wade sua ho nsem ekon wani mu.
Me va cheyo me da se. Anope ne se me de ntia kese pa na ma Adom FM tifo. Na Adom FM ejumafo nyina na say Leicester Professional Institute. Yes ye de roy ye boy de nja de roy border akosi se obia ewuhia se oten kan no waten kan. Leicester Professional Institute is yampon obefa ne say professional institute yen program no advanced diploma ne de nyamia se juni enya 12 good years 12 years a run program yi na program yi nye program bia keke government program so we are Ghana Education Service and WAEC na awarded with a certificate advanced diploma qualify to the university level 200 second year na eni je sema ya na bata ho se utimi de ye adwuma baby bia opese o de ye adwuma obetimi de ye adwuma na your programs are running wo ho no ye diploma in accounting, diploma in business administration and a diploma in IT information technology remedial so remedial so ewo honom na Leicester Professional Institute oba under IT na they share computer software hardware networking and information systems oba under accounting na your auditing cost management accounting the new no person ya accounting ana accountant ana auditor program yi ubetimi aye so na oba under business administration na your human resource management your marketing your accounts your business finance and a business communication program ya mabubosi and found course in secondary school obetimi da ye juma obia se banko any office work se bia oye registrar administrator baby bia person odi ye juma bia no obetimi e da ye juma e wo ho na Leicester Professional Institute say qualification qualify mountain bay program ya mabubo su nyina ne say e dia now your old system we old system nti old system no O level and A level and we ya akwenya e wo ho e de ma say bin so we are mature 25 years and above with mature with making kind me say akwenya ho ma with me ba say e bin so e dia we SSC be 7 years 6 years ago 10 years what we have to remedial try year ma o na fo ni bi kwa university ejuma o say na me de me ba ne say ni me come as ni elective ba ku intimi ntwada yesika wakuma to yem advanced diploma we about the amount uba peke for ma baba be 1 year na that was level 200 sounds na we wasisa we was be 5 years 6 years ago so results ba ku bian koye or remedial tra there's also akunya ho de ma now let's say professional institute say bia ko technical school ko vocational school and secretariat we NVTI Mr. Akunya Homa, one so better be a program, bon degree. Akunya Homa, say been put over the years, no. Students are mutual, say be a mutual was a year on my baby. Obuhani, Bani, your man intimacy, no man baba be pick from. The students were papa in the banana wolf fool, as it may be my passe, man to invest forms in TBN, or Bassa intimacy obey. Or yes, you know, pass your level 200. They down from a top from school level 100. No, or control level 200. Or no any advantage of advanced diploma and our kind degree now or you know. And she said, yeah, I will forward here. Obana come on much was you. About what we is also one pound money to or better pick a formula about a year your program here. You will see 1 year advanced diploma. Or better a thousand out bar. Say, yeah, commerce and Kuya, you will remedial. What's the remedial? No, so and also, yeah, they come with the bois, Yenyanuma, or better or Moyano, a better resource, and also our at the mom. Now, let's have professional institute. Your hostel facilities are say bia kumasi na ofi anako for bia baby bia ofi bia no hostel facility wo wa obenya be video theater ababe program no fee it's sikaneta phone boko hostel fee no the former 4 in a room 2 in a room 3 is a very comfortable place and so no problem is a standby generator baby bia wo wa u hiya say we so mejo obetimi edition wa the sanction school fees no the school fees make cover 1 year a 1 year program pay yes Saturday year be you into a 1 year advanced diploma fees make cover 1 year ni na say kakane kita na o de o si sana yes if have chance here the channel kakra installment by the time I bet your final exams not which school fees maybe your morning section your evening section and your weekend section adintra esa say any no be ye adwuma enso make e wonya ko ba be program yi akwaje ni promotion bu wa ye adwuma akechan be be ti me wane ti promotion fee fi be bia mba aden oni certificate en 20 min ko neni yesi brane be ye bi say enyi upon adwuma na say ni mre na obetimi aba akunya ho de ma say upon adwuma na say weekend na obenya akunya ho de ma enu nti picking numbers min kan na we fidie so pick your numbers no na friend baby bia wo bia ne more direction am wetimi abesku mo baby pe nya wo pese wo nya bia no nsaka your numbers near 0241 876 551 0241 876 551 0241 876 551 0207 061 310 0207 061 310 0207 061 310 or 0540 914 255 0540 914 255 0540 914 255. Let's a professional institute. Aya counseling. Adintra. Students be brave, but I'm confused. And I'm a visual art. And I'm a way for my coins. And I'm a room to me any day to say. The second of my students in the bar. You cancel on programs. administration no accounting no IT no we IT ha na de be we administration ha na de be adwuma we accounting ha se na de woko nti ma students na active program na oye na se ma otimi fi na ko mu nya de ye program a oye no o tiase eni na list up ye students no omo pass esan se ni oye no o tiase na ni ni timia oye no ye was scholarship packages obo ha ne mba be 3 and 4 a omo na eba program na ba be oba your special scholarship e dey boa awofo no no be ya omomba no so betimi akọ it's a list there you see ya ba ko obi bia opeso ocho school so ko nanim na enyema ba ko bia stumbling block dia ma no na ontimi ko nanim ne e ti kama kuma to ye be peke ya forms na 100 Ghana students ya location no ya Accra branch no ya wo Accra Legon Madina enkane IPS ane University of Professional Studies no you will need baby na older sanka local no no and now do Madina na bobo numbers no so a me send ya tuja o friend ya e more direction ma we be school mo so na your branch ba ku Kumase branch no we do check Boedi junction ho obon so cross ba taxi station no catch almost say a day educational complex and Leicester Professional Institute that's it there is more direction and now omudo bebe school mo your forms na 100 Ghana students utiminken besro emfa ebia na wo bia university ehunya but wa don't bia cho remedial church that so tifie one poya na ye wa hamti for number na na blessing to that person watch it in Leicester Professional Institute ya bobe 6,000 students bebrebe ebia be Pentecost University SRC president menu ka say tech new women's commissioner Sandra Leicester Professional Institute or the students no oboso bo ha ko ICA be 10 years 9 years ni ontimi chata na me adom the students last 2 years obaba ko chataye last year any governor so chataye what wo ye den they say so one ko school ed you so one kasa wadwuma mpo na oye school hu yama into Mr. Baby bia wo bia na say ne si be bia me come before wo say hey madam in fact think man ko school kanka wo be ya be and coming to me new it's say your phone be more direction no what type na obu ha be send message I'm here where are you na is a hunya be type o say school dey come ko kanka be boa me into twa wo ye den omodia na twa na mo
that's right
take form no admissions and no 1 year advanced diploma 1 year pe na be kanka ye no morning section evening section weekend section bia we comfortable no session bia no obetira be ana wetimi enyanto wa se de suan wa de dia ko ni your numbers ni biu na me ditu jana your numbers ni 0241 876 551 0241 876 551 0241 876 551 0241 876 551 0207 061 310 0207 061 310 0207 061 310 0207 061 310 or 0540 914 255.
That's right.
0540 914 255. 0540 914 255.
That's right.
Program you are making, me say accredited program. I am 12 good years. So we are Ghana Education Service. And why can I do with a certificate?
That's right.
I qualify to any university of your choice. Level 200. Essentially, a workable certificate. Obetimi edia ye juma obebi bia episode ye juma. Inti enye program bia keka. Obeka say na program you be kwani esi we efimi family slow. A program edimwa over the years ya bebrene nim enu ntimi ye bohu deru sene ya vision na say misno ko university ni bia ni ba ko bia nko ye ma atochima otifie no yes grab the opportunity way just within 1 year that we me that was so akọ kan your location ni bio ye wo Accra Legon Madina enkane IPS bia na older sanka local no wo no udu ko ana boy numbers so na friend more direction but Kumasi branch so udu tech Boedi junction now beside taxi drivers now we call a day educational complex ana Leicester Professional Institute and also Ombebo ama waiting me akako boost mama question biani enquiries bia person oyeno which Leicester Professional Institute environment is very conducive ya prepare students ombeba no omenya into wasiani omo akuma beto omo yemetimida program no and into lectures no eya omo group students who are no view school check into opeki eya opeki slowly gradually but through group studies no one man to meet this question be idea class onya ko be bizan so no ferry into Leicester your strategies be bria ya the boy student na omo ba it no buom e numbers no for the last 0241 876 551 0241 876 551
okay
0207 061 310 0207 061 310 or 0540 914
that's right
255
that's right
0540 914 255 0540 914 255. It's here for Umpewe.
That's right.
Now pede.
Where the embrani intini to men kanina. I was radio so embrani intini di besi ha na eti form frɛ no amonji nkyere mu mo. Auntie Joyce here da CP wo fa no pe.
That's pa.
Ya men ka ho pa. Embrani intini to men kanina. Embrani intini. Ai. Embrani intini to men kanina. It is 9:15. My uncle the year 2006. Me uncle kofa enyum ni bia e hete pa.
Nya kente the year ma atwa. Nya big day the year telma. Nya tuti the year mefwa. Nya pia to the year Frida.
Darling, what's your problem? A beya kaya cantem. Kai wunu say we chino bieni ho. Darling, what's your movement? A beya kaya cantem. Kai wunu say we chino bieni ho. Kachramyo, mafashomo. Kachramyo, mafashomo. Kachramyo, mafashomo. Bra, meyenya Obama ho. Kachramyo, mafashomo. Kachramyo, mafashomo. Kachramyo, mafashomo. Bra, meyenya Obama ho. Kumadaka toy, why never see be a mami oi. Ben kumata di fin, why never see be a mami oi. Standing fan, abato yewa, gas cooker hanga, politics use the room divider if ya. Why never paper, ben kumadaka toy, why never see be a mami oi. Ben kumata di fin, why never see be a mami oi. Standing fan, abato yewa, gas cooker hanga, politics use the room divider if ya. Why never paper, ah, democracy me ya me servant. Ah, democracy me ya arrogant. Make a report to radio station. So who me ira yana pana preme. So who me ira yana pana preme for a handsome reward. Ah, democracy me ya arrogant. Ah, democracy me ya crocodile. Make a report to radio station. So who me ira yana pana preme. So who me ira yana pana preme for a handsome reward.
Okay, kati me kwami here. Ina moko. Ime kwami tell who ina moko. No hate we lobby, no hate we. Mini bona, mini fiopo. Kemo mi hani male tete. She rasta lilente. Eni epo. In lobby titi. Kente sente. She come ete ni eba. Oko ambebi. Minya yanka. Yasimbe konechi. Namasi mi dofu bise. Manyen ye. No one me tata. Fame kodon paso. Nelson. Oko ambebi. Oko ni na no baby. She back on in na guess mama Joe. Lala yen. Ba hote. Me guy. Nibi komedi wa fio. Ni guys. Boy komedi wa kuyo. Ni guy. Mama kadada i komedi wa fio. Che. Ah. Che di get ya baba. Boy ni ayo. Shene le che. Amagido. Ete na woman ko empo.
Darling, what's your problem? A beya kaya cantem. Kai wunu say we chino bieni ho. Darling, what's your movement? A beya kaya cantem. Kai wunu say we chino bieni
Komeda, Puntu, Cassia, Comefra, Fachamio, Odona Facho, Here Bobo, no baby, Quana Mayo, Here Bobo, no baby, Quana Mayo, Minya Shibio, Here Bobo, no baby, Quana Mayo, Minya Shibio, Fachamio, Odona Facho, Sao Pamia, Estomi Mu, Sao Tomia, Embomi Hu, Sao Pamia, Sao Tomia, Sao Pamedia, Endia, Estomi Mu, Sao Pamia, Embomi Hu, Sao Tomia, Befimano, Ojame Fododo, Ojame Fakatia, Ojame Wadia, Befoma Katia, Tia don't go what it.
Darling, what's your problem? I bet I can't them. Guy wanna say where Chino be any ho. Darling, what's your movement? I bet I can't them. Guy wanna say where Chino be any ho. Catch them yo, man fashion mo. Catch them yo, man fashion mo. Catch them yo, man fashion mo. Bra, me ya Obama. Catch them yo.
Memphis Show Mo 20 after 9. This is Memeneda Sokooo on Adom 106.3. After the year 2006, 2007, so I remember where I hit it.
Another JMJ classic.
She has a boyfriend, I've got girlfriends, so we were just friends. I didn't intend to make the rules bend. I made moves and she felt it smooth like she wanna get the groove on. Oh, what a sweet mistake. She says she wanna do it again. Hey, what a sweet mistake. Tomorrow we gonna do it again. She like the way I roll. She know they want my door. She just they love my show. She say I know be slow. She simply wanna know if she could get to go to paradise with me like I be saying in my flows. She said I be the reason why she moved to DC. And when she see me moving on the road, it no be easy. She say she know the fit sit when she see my whip cruise on the highway. So she screaming, hi baby. I said hi, don't be shy. Come with me for a ride. Pretty lady, show your pride. It's your time, be my bride. This be why I know they like to do favors with my eye. I wish say I go fit. Let this be a simple ride. Oh, what a sweet mistake. She says she wanna do it again. Hey, what a sweet mistake. Tomorrow we gonna do it again. Oh, what a sweet mistake. She says she wanna do it again. Hey, what a sweet mistake. She says she wants it every day. I took her for a ride last night and I love her vibes, yeah. Hey, she was by my side last night and she loved my vibes, yeah. Ooh, she says she has a secret and she wants to keep it. I can't believe that she doesn't want to go and leave this. She says she needs this. She says she won't repeat this. It's like my swagger is exactly what she just be feeling. She's got Steven. She says he just be sleeping. So that be why she always find herself creeping. She want the feeling. Oh, she want the feeling. Eh, she want the feeling. Yeah. Oh, what a sweet mistake. She says she wanna do it again. Hey, what a sweet mistake. Tomorrow we gonna do it again. Oh, what a sweet mistake.
As well.
She says she wanna
Do it again.
Hey, what a
2007.
She says she wanna
And you're by you.
do it again.
And then you may be born in 2005 to 2010. Papa and about 2011 to 2019. No. Yeah, boy from 2005 to 2010.
My wife and my kids and my girls. Every other day I see more single girls.
As well.
Girls, divas, and simple girls.
Me patro Memeneda Sokooo ni enche bia bedwa fo betena se.
Many girls.
Na ye de kwane de ba ye hwie ni nyina di ama. But in the meantime, in between time, ya pomude hon 7 de ya de hear me o edamakoma so ra. Ti abribia me pese ya pomude hon 7 CPC ta. Ti nkomo bia na be me ya pomude hon 7 CPC ta de papa me fa ni agro kra o. Cause tiefo anya hoode obeye da tumi atie no atumi enjoy no atumi dance no atumi prance no atumi shake no atumi kweku. Dr. Philip, good morning.
Good morning, black guy.
Doc, na bibia boko de.
Na go fado na uze.
Boko, na no pay movement in it is, movement in it is, doc.
Oh, na fede na go fado be cool.
And Saturday we plans here say,
Exactly.
Yeah. Doc, me a professional inquisitive pa. Me pese me be say and weekend you will plans pa say because me am kwa about tennis. I don't know about you.
Oh, me plans na say never to do me patients were around into show me around 5 months and some very cool.
Okay, any adaje ni poso kra na adwuma for mo Redeemer Herbal and Research Center obi a ho ye de.
And
I want to also take this opportunity na men congratulate you woni wadwuma ye for adwuma su amo ye se ne be ya Ghana for betumi anya pomodin mapa na won dwuma no bia esi woni so betumi aye na watumi aye ni ye. I want to congratulate you and u team a wo ye very very hard working pa mo boy adwuma
sana yes congratulate moni Adom FM for ni na mo dwuma pa mo ye Ebwa Ghana in terms of media practitioners. So in fact you are great.
That's right. And more services now more render no baby ba ko a manage e spook me pa benefit amode bre mo patients. Now benefit ni bi ne say more offer 30% discount lab any scanner mo ye ni nyina no mo offer say bia say ye gini pa 100 Ghana mo te so 30% emanipa no hospital clinics are what was saying hospitals are what was saying on be de mo ye eni nyina nkonkoda nchen no mo sa wo munro nso a moton edema mu patients no so no mo 25% discount ani nyina nso ewo mu a make sure say mo patients mo beto wo mo enye sika no na mo hwehwe no per se de sachi me mo kra ne organic food products mo sign the supply mo patients send e be wo mo num nro no mo di organic food ne ka ho a wo mo ayaresa no ebetumi aye ntentem no matumi agira wo mo na so bio eno ntime ka sa yi ko no a na sa benefit a mo de ma mo patients yi che se ma hohoafoa dodo mo boy adwuma now bombing komo efa mo nyuma pa mo ye evo Redeemer Herbal Research Center.
Yo, black I that say Redeemer Herbal and Research Center Limited. The see Redeemer Herbal the fact said the name Herbal wo no enter say yeah local herbal medicine at Toma man for baby Herbal and Research Center clinic bia yeah apomodin hu hwehwemu yeah who say what is the cause of your disease say be umba Redeemer ma ye mfa edro kwa say konum debi. The first thing I say, you lab test, since you call any other government hospital before the doctor will attend to you, or making sure, say, while running various tests, when who say, this is your problem. Say, after the test, not say, here say, scan, a better who say, oh, okay, the problem is how, no, a winning here, and who say, better scan, and sign, who the cause of the problem, no, and sign. You recommend the medication amount. Now, I say medication, medicine be a Redeemer ya nua se ho a wo bottle mo dada na ye di preservative aguso say na konum debi ye first ye ko ye diagnosis ni wie na say ye ni wie ye o age scan ni wie na say ye hu say when hawa ya travel say madam ana say papa ukofia ye dwani we na ye di 3 days and I say 2 days time no bra na beji e draw a betumi akwantia wo yare no purposely for you is for anybody purposely for you into here do na no preservative is very natural no preservative natural aside for eno so no say Yarisa is not only about medication. Uba Redeemer of 3 priorities. 1, a diet. 2, a exercise. And 3, a medication. Into your 2 for say, men the way. Sabi, Ubi wa a kidney stone. After kidney stone waiting, was I the vegetable spinach? Won't it that say a or containing oxalic acid? So dear, and increase stones no more. Obi was a beer, I want a hammy. Why, various tests, ovarian cyst, ebonibi, fibroid, ebonibi, name still no, I want to ember. One name say your nutrient by your friend with selenium and vitamin E. Who differentiates our vitamins no body no more, and my wound to me, and ya, I want Obano ember. Into redeem my child, say vitamins, many vitamins with a Yaman Pediano, and nunti, and I provide the organic food, edima patient. Send a bear over to me and your healing now, Ushano. Apart from no sooner, a catcher will say, no draw, did you know, for to exercise your body. Because exercise is very vital when it comes to the treatment of any diseases. Obi wa wa area stroke in air no. Stroke area blood circulation. Now say area be exercise. Fi hako higher no afaka. Fi hako higher no afaka. Pass obey size out of the system. Emboa ema wo nya wa pomodin na o hwehwe no. Obi so wa ne be ne die no so bad say ono do se bibia me di mbasa de bi yendi bibia. Yo aduane a efa no healthy food. As a dear a bois, ma unya wapomudi. Yes, I see aduane bia keke. And nonti and the father of medicine are a hypocrite. What can I say? You are what you eat. You live to eat, you don't eat to live. And nonti, so we show what we're doing in this year. And no bois, ma unipa das and uninche. And nonti no can say, leave your drugs in the farmer, in the chemist spot, and treat your disease with your food. Because when you are sick before you are eating, it is one of the way of giving food to your diseases. So, and no, and I have friend of chronic disease. So, obviously, me everywhere they say a crown go, my and go because you are feeding the disease. You are feeding disease. Your man disease, the whole channel, and be a feed body no more. But who providing a suitable environment? How do you expect that disease to live out of system?
That's right.
In this, Obi or and I pay uti Adom FM. Say a year fibroid, say diabetes, say a stroke, say a cancer. Redeemer, about me catch will say they are curable because we have a factual evidence. I don't mean a appointed man will say this person have ever having cancer before but has been treated. Now, Sabi, and yet to know your diet is very, very important. It's very important. Apart from no so and them say food now will to market no e bia bi no what chemicals no nti yanga say you taking responsibility no e provide organic food untua ho ka nti say e oil no upe a e be mawo ne upe bia ye organic food ye be provide amawo na ya so ya some affordable payment plan in this go Ghana na say na utie Adom FM mpocho men ka say miare we enua na be kumi enkun esan say so over redeemer ye be tofu. You bet you how to do a very healthier juices. You bet you then send a healthier smoothies. I did chia unimia ubedi, unimia undi. Essence a body ne or hono. It is said element canal, irrigation canal. Say a mucho pit too much. Ma circulation. In the say to make currency and more. Air liver, air performing the function, with kidney, air performing the function, with lymphatic system, air performing the function, with spleen, air performing the function. A mass system, no more free. A genibia obedino at me utilizing in the inability of the body to utilize the food, no, and then I deficiency disease. Now, and yes, be a janina would do air containing nutrient. But then my choke into the now would know, but then no end to me air utilizing. In the bonus size, oh, you are deficiency of calcium, a deficiency of potassium, a deficiency of this. And sometimes, so no, you treat symptoms as a root cause. If you obviously symptoms, and to go and set the root cause of your tipayeno. Now what year and true, now year the right thing, nothing a bear, near air cause of tipayeno, a boko, and nothing a hypocrite now I can say, don't treat symptoms, treat the root cause of the disease. And then Redeemer Herbal and Research Center. The fact say, hey, they have no show, no interest, we are doing just anything. Baby, no lab test, no medication. no scan, no medication. We want to look at the root cause of a problem and provide an authentic solution for you. In the organ, say, if a Ghana for for any or family FERM, for health education is free. Some family fabra. I say, no dog, you better say, won't say, but you better take your time. You better show the meaning of some of the words are what that. Hey, there is diabetes, there is stroke, or we say diabetes, say yes, it's wrong, but you better show. Say a matter of sugar, no, a matter of this and this. Open to say, oh, media in the new baby, I make books are kind but obra. A do redeemer, the library. But kind some one got over bread because a fee, sir, afumudi a matter of education, doing the right thing, providing you with the right source of information. Wow, I'm a 1 year wapumudi. It is oh, corner say, hey, then, you know, I can say, oh, kidney problem, or hepatitis B, I see, or liver disorders, or ulcer, or epilepsy, and I say any other sexually transmitted disease be a how, but you. So what much brea, but your one solution essence say you are not doing the right thing. You are not giving the proper education about your disease. You were not told the right thing to do. And until you better say for your way. Essence say and say the liver is very important. And until I for any preservative and we are doing. And until I drawn so see how and the 3 days go and say anything natural cannot stay have the lifespan more than 3 days or 4 days. Into the beer a natural so by redeemer and you say we are rebiano a solution.
That's right. That's right. Yo, Dr. Philip. I answer yeah, that's a pass when you're ready. Eddie, I'm not paying. I'm sure why.
Okay,
and have a great weekend. Sit. Yabu. Quada. Yaba. Tea no one. Yaba. Cap no one. Yaba. Cap no one. Yaba. Tea no one. Yaba. Tea no one. Yaba. Cap no one. Yaba. Bread no one. Yaba. Bread no one. Yes. Bread no one. Yes. Bread no one. Yaba. Quada. Hey, why not see yes, mommy no? Why not see yes, mommy no?
I just
Quada. Yes, oh, friend, papa, no, show when him knew what me and him one and you have a friend, papa. Show when him and him one and you have a friend, papa. Look at your face and you are calling me papa.
I said that when you see you know.
Tea in the one hand, tea in the one hand, bread in the one hand, bread in the one hand, cap in the one hand, cap in the one hand, me cap in the one hand, me cap in the one hand, me cap in the one hand, bow in the one hand, me see can the one hand, me watch in the one hand, me show no one hand, show no one hand. No one here. Shout no one here. Shout no one here. My dear, Mumonsu.
I thought the beer me Paco Cobo. Mary Coco.
It's all good. Good morning, Ghana. And the Opoku Abra Sika Emmanuel said, Memeneda Sokooo. You guys are in the building. Yeah, Bab. Elsina Bako Amamo. Bake Amamo. Okay, Elsia, we see you. City and Quad by Echo Bako. We see you too. Good morning to you. And Adom Kobi, good morning to you. Felix Elvis Beidou, good morning to you. Mami Efua Jesse, you're watching us from United Kingdom. Good morning to you. And Oliver Duncan Williams, We see you too. We see you. You are watching us live from Volta. Okay, from Volta. Felix, okay, I've done this already. Nice one, bro. Erica, we see you. Freddie Kofi Abi, watching us live from London. Romford. We see you. Thank you very much. Blessed Sun says 2 p.m. Mampo Ashanti. I'm enjoying the show. Good morning, Ghana. William Jackson, we see you. Dachi Hine Jerry II, watching it live from Düsseldorf, Germany. Gladys Knight, you do all, guys. Thank you so very much, Gladys. And William, is it William or William? I think say William. And now you're William. I say hi, Ghana. No. When you sausage be a did or fresh burger be a dear now the two United Kingdom. I say hi, Ghana. And who? Why hi, Ghana? So na munya moduane papa bi di na from a pane fam ho sa na na madwam se bibia no guys. Okay, Pokey. Yes. Give me one laughter. Okay. Jay-Z.
Yeah.
No, Aki, give me one laughter.
Right here, yeah, right here.
To command, sir. To come. Jay-Z, give me a laughter.
A laughter.
Sre mami. Okay, to come, mami. One sunny laughter. Penny GH Pocky.
Yeah.
For 3 points. Your major question.
Okay.
Spell the word.
Okay.
For 3 points. Okay. Your major question. Spell the word.
Okay. The word.
Spell it, mommy.
I didn't hear him. Yes, I'm living here. Never spell you.
Sabu. To me, spell it the word.
Oh, that be.
It's a move on. So let's move on to bonus question to Aki. Aki, spell the word.
Okay.
Bonus question.
The word is.
Anyway. F no way. There be acceptable. Let's move on to contestant number 3 for your bonus question. Man like Ajeze the non-fucking. Spell the word.
Please move to the next contestant. That be my being too much.
Let's move on to the next contestant who is One Sunny. One Sunny, spell the word.
The word.
Spell the word. Spell. I feel no petun. Organize petun. Charlie, it's Munina, more bone.
Massa. Won't spell American. What can we spell?
I just now, but me person me test Munda Moon to spell nothing much.
I me spell you want it.
There be there good and they're wetting. Also wetting.
Okay, and
I just went to me.
That be
you lost it totally.
Okay, let me spell it for you.
Okay, spell it. The word.
Anyone also?
Oh, mama, then try. Ebi anani refi first, but can spell me the word.
H wo. W wo. O.
I don't need a letter ban on any letter ban.
Letter to Parliament.
Letter to Parliament. Hey, Charlie Mama Bombo. Common word. Common word we want to me and spell it. Just say one.
Black spell.
F na ma. W no grandpa.
Let's W me kai. Master W me kai.
W.
Me kai W.
You know so ama. You know so ama. S no so ama.
Jen kura.
Jen no jen. Na woni say jen wo me wanka.
Say me spell no.
Okay. Put openi ye na he. Put
I said Jen.
O so to jen. O to jen wo o hwene na chi ho.
Me te P.
P no emphasize.
It's a honey team.
It's a honey.
Open your taco zoo, Anna. O taco zoo.
Na say zoo ade.
Away.
Ode.
Oh, yeah, what?
Obisa to akotongo. Now moving on to contestant number 2 for your major question, Aki. Major question. Spell the word. Aki, why are you ready?
I'm ready.
Kasagu Mike, why are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Aki, major question for 3 points. Spell the word. Him.
Hurt him.
There be hurt him. Listen to the sound. Spell the word hurt him. Hurt him.
Okay.
Spell that word.
Starting from
there be Pinama.
Black.
For another chance.
T. No, one say, oh yeah, 18.
Man can me say 8.
Okay, and I just say, no, yes, W be no much on a trewo.
That's why now 2 points. Let's move on for a bonus point for a year. I just did a non-fucking spell the word.
Ha.
We sound a bit more.
But then fake quiz master.
Okay, spell the word.
No crowd they hang me about.
A grabber. Okay, spell the word.
H wo E wo W sorry Y ten hey oh hey
why near do say no
why no why person
because me according to memory said why near 3
for 370 hey
where net height now spelling no
T credit what
hey T.
Let's move on to one Sunny for a bonus question. One Sunny spell the word eight.
E I T-I-N
Genuine. Wait. Let's move on to a penny GH pocket for a bonus question. Spell the word hate.
When I'm very focused, I'm going to catch you once and a video no open.
Maybe I knew you. But don't run away from your bonus question.
Oh, I won't run away. I'm at the junction.
Spell it. Hey, I didn't guess your father. Now, anyway, F away.
Was it
F away?
So I got here with him. One got
F away. Say F Shimo.
Masumano.
Now, O number, double O number.
Masuma one.
So I'm going to
I'm going to try the abram.
I'm going to try the abram. Wow. Hey, do I have some aponchi in the building? Away. Do I have some preco in the building? As well. Now, Abrafo Kramaya come in about 4 days. I only did that. Oh, who knew I was saying? Away. Na me pacho abua papon aponche bema wa who new girl be won area a new girl in town. Na aponche bema na spot na aponche bema no so saying. As well. Hey, yaba. Menya sure say mudware wo fie dress say mo baba be din kwa asem. Obi ande de lemu pa. If you're pastor well. This is Adom 106.3 Memeneda Sokooo afei na yesin konya. Afei na yedi dwumadi yedi baba hihye so kra ye nyan start you. Afei na baba start no kra. Enche bia di Sokooo sports nso bebre o. Eno eche no 11 o'clock Tolio Mashi. What a we are here till 12 in the PM. This is Memeneda Sokooo. Hey guys, give it up for Memeneda Sokooo.
Now girl no. Onyamia bono set of it. Muffin no wapi. Say me una makumetu. Me doni musupi. Say me una na me wu. Me girl no. Onyamia bono set of it. Muffin no wapi. Say me una makumetu. Me doni musupi. Say me una na me wu. Sama wapwa chachano enye ni tipeni motie dio so kam no trek am yese fie dio krukrunie bro besi mapono otutu so dio kokosem na go mi am English am of ya no osi breke to si bantu makotie me frefro se de nyakto frefre so bro besi mapono midi malaka sa many super me many super me many super me move from me malaka sa many super me many super me many super me mille move from me
I be tasting my heart over cause it's never right. She know they won't make her go. I be the ultimate here. Nothing wrong with when you go up. Man, I know when you want me something honey. Now chomping about hunger. I want my toe go. Hajiji, I that palm. I give you my bun catch a burger. I live a zingolo. Man, I share the brighter life. Tell them again you will start being. I'm at a no bango. I think I bring us to greatness. Look on the people in the Guinness. Okay, my young brother. No one no done, no dumbo. But one on me insurance. I be the bank for my own. I'm connecting people. Well, on you go up and okay. Now then you had carnival. Better food for a better life. Your rap time was Vega. Okay, me doing then you when you're man sign buffalo. It's our chunk on a kiso. Manana look for I leave it too much. What you yeah, lamp on my blood, no, I leave it too much. I know she come out of my wall. My way, I leave it too much. What you yeah, lamp on my blood, no, I leave it too much. I know she come out of my wall. My way, I leave it too much. What you yeah, lamp on my blood, I leave it too much. I know she come out of my wall. My way, I leave it too much. What you yeah, lamp on my blood, no, I leave it too much. I know she come out of my wall. My way, I leave it too much. Salo futo ma tamaga galama adilama. Agbala tadiama tamaga galama adilama. Nek plum ya na nyike ge naba ama baba naba dema baba. Okay, go fe. Adam, when you meal boy coming into the madami aba fighter. Okay, but sana call. I be dreaming and chasing. All a very ideal when you Pepsi ask for more. What partner for life? You're not junior aba latex. I can't afford you na call. Side of life with the shim yaba cola.
All the hits and more.
In every way, no, but I got more water. Alabama, Kumana, call. I come blow a pain, but Joe blow your pain away. What I do that come up more. And I'm reading to a cooking to go job on your Maggie. Never been on $1 more. I want a meal, a celebration. You're my hand, you're Gina. See what TV wanna call. You're my draw, them new look, Satan's got them on your Guinness. Okay, me come to your door. I tell you, pushing me for life. You come your booba in your glyco. Me, I know who's gonna Joe. Tell them, what you yeah, tell them, I'm glad no one. I need too much. I know she come out of my wall. My way, I need too much. What you yeah, I'm glad no one. I know she come out of my wall. My way. gadama adilama. You be too much. Tagbala tadiyama tamaga gadama adilama. You be too much. Yeah, claim you're not need to gain. Never I'm a bubba, never dim a bubba. You be too much. Okay, bag go fe. You be too much. Salo futoma tamaga gadama adilama. You be too much. Tagbala tadiyama tamaga gadama adilama. You be too much. Yeah, claim you're not need to gain. Never I'm a bubba, never dim.
Get them out.
Okay, bag go fe.
Volta regime.
New one.
2010 and more. Me pacho we new one bio. I bet them we new one bio. We new one bio. Mr. Man can new one bio. I bet Twaran can new one.
New one.
I bet this is not a new one. Don't say new one again.
New one.
This is no new one. I bet why?
New one.
No, don't say that. And you can mobile. And you might channel 2010 still the hook new one. This is not a new one. Immortal
champion.
And I'm sure you're Becca. Where's your Becca? TN Tribute. Okay, I read them. Young Kubu.
New one.
No, him. And now Becca. Okay.
New one.
Yeah. And yes, person.
I want a 2-1.
So-called sports papa B. Hey, bro. Hey, Charlie, any introduction, no. Any intro, no. Yanyana, Papa Bells.
Who introduced me?
Double the action. Any intro, no. It's an intro, no. Come on, I'm coming, Yami, dear, me from Pamin Kwamano. And I, okay, guys. The international producer with a continental swag. I'm green light. I'm sorry for my kunya. So, guys, I'm going to introduce myself on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, now fading in from the orange corner in the white trunk against my sweatshirt, which is original. Oh, my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the #1 presenter of the whole wide world, the number uno, from the start to the end. Give it up for man like Black. Oh my goodness! 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 Hey, Aponche! Ojaye! Nanchie! Prakwe! Hey, you're there for one son, two actually, for one son, back to it.
I confirm.
Okay, Immortal man, I confirm back.
Mommy, take.
I'll see man go. Okay, Papa don't say my tortoise was to say. Hey, Papa don't say. What's the tortoise was to say? Wow. I'm a tortoise is. Wow. Anyway, Immortal.
Hey, Mammy, akroma.
And I'll be a spouse and I said, oh, man, I go there, man, I come from Paddy. Okay. Now, I know your time or Park Batchin or Park Batchin as I know, and Pamekai. Most of Cobana Sumian Cassini.
Mammy, or double. Mammy Koto. Manikoto bio. Mami bonsu.
Ase mani bonsu.
Mami dolphin.
Ase ope dolphin, mani dolphin.
So dolphin ata bobo no.
I am mani dolphin.
Hey. Okay.
I think more I thought so. Okay, baby. They say dear be na person bisa.
Money mortar.
Okay, I was saying money mortar.
Mr. Black.
Mr.
Black.
Now, if you have a card here.
Oh, you cremo.
Fantastic.
And you better say
you creme. Nyamiama de Pachi and Kwan.
Now, national team. Put him say national team na sunye pa. Ghana national team na can Black Stars of Ghana.
Senior national team who ansem na okay.
Black Stars of Ghana ewo Dubai. Yes, Abu Dhabi to be precise.
Okay.
And I'm saying no ekoso. Put him say 21st of June 2019. And the time
and 8
minus 21.
8 minus 21.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why they easy mass.
-2.
8 minus 21. -2. Where we university?
It's impossible. 8, eso like 21 is
chance ko enim where we invest in 8 minus now 8 minus 21 our patches 21 minus 8 that's 8 minus 21 so percent can go negative no
they say yes sir say negative no yes and -1 beba never cancel
who study numerology in school because you go you good accuse you there
adjective
objective calculation here no say adjective anyway now what's the senior national team what is the very latest?
To say countdown was 13 days more.
Wow.
To the African Cup of Nations.
What is a Samoa Jan's attitude or camp?
Oh, a good.
They say no one nakasama bibia the
team.
Okay.
Once we Black Stars of Ghana camp. Asamoah Gyan general captain.
Yes. But still
yeah, general captain. And Andre Rami Morgan Dede Ayu.
Only a captain for the tournament.
Only a captain
for the tournament.
Yes.
Okay.
Man
it's just a tournament now no captain beside the general captain
no dey be na coach no so once you call say Brazil so mu titi na say kwa name akomo the captain e finish so
sir no ya name why na ni video bi kokko out so ni girl bi hihye dem ase ono na no no
kre say once again no o ball guy no back na call guy ni so ye pam na guy ni kwa san hihye another match o match na san concern na get no so ni phone akote baby
and ocha e mani bi su
once obi o so kan so papa bell say on the book mu black eye next
there be fa wudin ya immortal ya immortal o mu dada
black eye next
David minim for now Jerry dey no na hu so kom
ana kuma ka ko bi so mu dada
last killer.
Oh,
Kilalo.
To go asana na get there. We celebrities no.
Yeah.
Watch room Diego.
Now then only celebrity be have a private time. I say o capture of phone so.
Says o say o man ko.
But na said you na private.
What's be timika so black amini baby.
For who example.
Say na no baby girl you catch him so no baby am power.
Baby girl be.
Or the chance to one way.
Sir.
Na kaso when the problem be any o.
Yeah, go ahead. Into say Black Stars and then cause
Black Stars camp.
Baby I'm not true do yen kwa ni.
Baby but I was 37 years ago. 1982.
1982.
Yes.
Hey, Satana what is saying?
Namo be.
Nyen wo ba de yen kwa ni. 82 nyen wo remember twi yen kwa.
Satana the likes of us Samson Lamtemo. On say one okunya Gaddafi no Libya.
Sir.
Any answer kind.
Those days Libya ni enton home use ni o ma na ye brand new nko ba ye Gaddafi firi o isi o moto broni wa wu nyina hye.
Ehun be hia ye pa. Na on Sunday.
Na broni na nwe.
On Sunday eyo Ghana ni Namibia. Am Kubra Kensi Bako, Ebe Shisho, Ewo, Dubai. Ewo Dubai. Oh, and a funny game never cost one sana 14th. Any South Africa, and so they are Shasono Friday. Into Ochina against Namibia, and then 14th against South Africa. But Ansana no 10th of this month, which is Monday. The 23-man squad na beba. Unse samni 28 players na camp. Na 29 or tons from ba Musa no of St. Gallen wo Switzerland. Onu pra inti onka team no ho. Onu pra. Ti say no. Once say so pra ba say place ni bo na yo mo dey ye pa.
Yeah.
Unu sa. Ti say
one moment bench pe bi abo.
It will press no more opportunity we be mo so etian ko tournament no. Ehonti ensem kakra wo. Na no say Afcon yi. What is say be say $8 million.
winner. I like the Ghana for the corner.
$8 million.
$8 million.
We say ministry ebe deny. Say enyampa. But
a bit me I am pop. God players someone no be players go be no more buy.
Adom sports na some passports. E do must kweku. They in crata ni be two go say see any na mo propose mo come ampanyin wono say 8 first next 7.5. No mo so mo 8 million.
Sa ni omo rounding it up na enye who.
But omo be 9. Mo be kan so enyampa. Ben yampa no. Ne yampa no omo ampa ma.
Enti most 8 million no enye no kre. Enti de na enye no kre.
Part 1 no. Omo ampa ma. Enti who na ni edi eshi ejina say $8 million there. Na price money no any one will be winning no ubenya $4.5 million. 4.5 into
team will be winning tournament
eventual winner no wa will be kukuru no ubenya 4.5
eti ye kwa akobon ya boka close to 8 million and ye dey kwa winning 4.5
it's not just
this is strategic investment.
Manos now be negative 3.5. But in we now be the second, we benya 2.5. See once second, you the second 2 times.
Okay.
2000.
Who's that?
Who's that? 2010. No more Angola no. Egypt sharing final no. Omo sharing. And now 2015. And so course so our Gabon. Ivory Coast. And so Eshen.
Okay.
It's the second 2. Okay. Kobani say the second year. Ibenya $2.5 million.
That's the second and so near be winning saying.
Na say you could be third. Third no. Third and fourth no. $4 million home so much.
$4 million.
I'm betting $2 million. $2 million. $2 million. $2 million.
Okay. Now I'm on free
from 2008 no. And you last 4. Until 2008 ya konedi ano koya asem there. Na at least they been $2 million aba.
Okay.
Manos $8 million.
Say your book $6 million.
Negative no. And na but na ko $6 million and I said $3.5 million no. Anka school down the bit me see bring.
And you see the fans so they are waiting. I say player no kwa bobo na ne mu bu a o na be he no.
Trees
and just be no de be he no.
Trees and schools no. And schools and trees.
Trees and schools.
Trees and schools and schools and trees.
Trees and schools.
It is say trees and schools so say schools and trees so. E bit me eradicate more.
And the mo fans are there moti. Uniska as your mommy. No amount that same and I so be to me there.
I say Niska. See Niska.
Who ya show see Niska?
Na ye bobo sasa.
Who ya show see Niska?
Na ye bobo sasa.
Ka bia beba wiasemu bia no. Ka bia beba bia ma ho be 2 months ube hu bi Ghana ha.
Asa na dey individuals no.
Na dey Niska nya ha ne wo. Individual omuska nya ha ne wo.
But we are buying Niska.
Na buying Niska ne Ghana Niska ni nyezi wa.
Sa. Okay, yanko enim.
Ba Niska ni dey temu.
Se club ya Sante Kodoko.
Temu pa ja. Mi hia one dia ya dia.
Mu se kuma se club ya Sante Kodoko. So ka Sante Kodoko.
Kuma pe mbeba. Metema.
Kodoko nyombe na Sante Kodoko.
Memeneda Sokooo muede.
Ye ka se fa bua.
Memeneda kuma pe mbeba. Ye ka se fa bu. Memeneda Sokooo muede. Ye ka se fa bu. Memeneda kuma pe mbeba. Pe mbeba no too for ye da you go. Kuma say feeling me deep. I go come here when I need. I never done feeling me deep. I go come here when I need.
Okay, I can't spoke in you so.
Arose. Be quiet and don't be silly. We are the famous Asofo. We never see that. I see the Eba Fibi. 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 Away.
na onum say Ghana Premier League special competition shows you na Asante Kotoko ewo group A na has ewo group B na has top group A group B and Asante Kotoko di second ewo group A Tres has na Asante Kotoko di so na Ash Gold no so ewuning group B A no only group B runner up no Karela nso e de so na normalization committee no at the shares so has ne Kotoko ne 16th of June ewa Accra Sports Stadium na Hasbrook ebenya skanibi na Asante Kotoko gate prices no benya 30%.
Okay.
Na normalization enso enya bi.
Okay.
Normalization dey be 40. Na no eko ha adwene ye pa.
Adentra.
Say ha say bo home na so no benya 60 a. Na park no wa bo home no. Say ha say uni park. Accra Sports Stadium no. Say mo adopt here say ukutua. At least say ukutua be 15,000 or 20,000.
Okay.
Na e water park no I was say ye di fertilizer na be green. It means be 2 weeks. Da prepare park no.
Okay.
Ntini nyina kana efin so light e be so.
Enti say na ko house for.
Ntini nyina say house binya 60%.
60%.
Na Asante Kotoko konza benya bi. Anyway, nti mo ye ni nyina no na ensisi so ye.
Ensisi so.
Enti Asante Kotoko hwe ni 30% no. No say no we dey enkoyi emfama no. Asante Kotoko so.
No na ebo away.
Osuye pa obo away.
Away na 30% no see so.
Eso. On penisa.
No obo away.
Initially no we imagine say on born home and away. And on sense sign. Say what will be winning no. E bo home. Who is Accra Sports Stadium. Like what will be winning no. Say has ni ewuni group B. Enti obeshia group A no the second one.
Okay.
Second go ya Asante Kotoko. Ine so mbisha wa Casper but Asante Kotoko is a review no mo ye na wo mbani no mo san kan no.
Okay.
And I say one home and away na say bakobo neutral ground.
Okay, there Kotoko for push agenda. The scanning in Abeko Accra as for any enko neutral in enche pepepe.
Empo
say ye beto e bia de ne ento e bia de ensure ne ntop na nse dwa no. Ye enko yanim.
Empo sika no na ekoye say Asante Kotoko benya 30%. Na ha senya 40. Na wakoya 70.
Sir. Na normalization committee so enya 30
ankomo penisa
na stadium no ha na betua
has home team no betua
normalization ko mo 30 no mo ntua bi o
yeah bi so mo no mo organizers no
okay
eti
so mo ntua organizers ntua venue
and as an local say no mo game ni bi o and normalization di communicate ko mo so mo there ye problem ya esane say has and you will qualify for final. No ko twen Ash Gold ne Karela. Karela so say one of almost omo no mo system.
Almost per home and away.
And not just a Karela no Kotoko be few. Na Ash Gold and has a final street.
Sir.
And a Kotoko da ya who koko so ana normalization so kisisi no. E ma Kotoko mo benya 40% bi.
Aha.
Te be Kotoko 40 as 40 normalization so 20 never can. Na omodi atom nti na Asante Kotoko aprende ni Asante Kotoko ka se omu nhia hospital on the 16th na ka hospital e ka so monya walk over no ta Asante Kotoko so nti walk over there na ka ha se contribute oni Ash Gold o yere no kakra bia with me na nkoko Champions League
straight up
say no asasa Asante Kotoko ejatum normalization as some adwene Asante Kotoko benya 40% of gate prices no na che say bibia da na kwamiti no the 16
is free 30 ko 40
yes until 8 no 8 plus 8 ayin 16 8 days away from now into Ochina kwesida then na otwe any game we share so our Accra Sports Stadium
okay you say the ntiasia ya adwuma
16th Ochina na otwe
na wa ye announcement wo dem say o wanya hwiwo and I did not have Casasa.
So, say,
wow,
betway.com.gh.
Okay,
and
yo,
it's your hand
game no chankwadia obedi, game no obedi, sir. Alhaji Jamil Toure say, Adom FM, always on top, no tea show, no. Paul Usun say, we like you guys too much. And Yayira Segbefia say, phobia. Arise. Be quiet and don't be silly. Never say die until the bones are rotting. Osha ya ile nimkratum so phobia supporter. Edina nunu so de city eni nchia nko a eno de aba. Ena ya ile asade aba biu say Ghana Black Stars ye hia cap no to be sembia. Tito asoma me.
Enti unu say tie ani tie 1 no. But tie 2 no. Na no kwesida ha se tenase. Emma Minister Academy eyo mu fimon penalties. Enti ha se nimba kotoko mu. Kotoko any Brikuma Arsenal de best so. Na Brikuma Arsenal kwa kasa nka game mo e Kumase because competition shall say kotoko about 3 matches knockout we tier 2. Na me kan wan say me tier 2. Baba akona me kan wan say tier 1. Enti we I say knockout in FA Cup. Na we no kotoko first game no share RTU eyi ne fimu baba yara and on san chain Kranzan Warriors last Sunday na san yi ne fimu ti kotoko abo 2 home matches Kumase.
Okay.
And na Kumase na so first game no so eko doma eko share Aduana Stars.
Okay.
And a second game no san ko doma bio ene bio na tere boy no san bio na tere fimu.
Okay.
So no san na you so third match the second so team ball Brekum Golden City Park. And I say baby send na kotoko say penny bi na. Nti an kono say na so mo game no. But say Brekum Arsenal be bo so mo. And so akwakoye asem sebe.
And so yana.
Bubi betimi akwa sasa so mo nti ubetena fie so ma. Ubekona away team ni Japan so.
Wa so ye be she no.
Nti obo asa Ashanti go no so ni media ma e de be she so. And Proud United any Winning Star Academy. No say Winning Star Academy. Won ana mu ya across for KDF.
Okay.
And Akpando Heart of Lion Nzema Kotoko.
Okay.
Nti Asante Kotoko. And e Nzema
Kotoko. Omo in Western region. O team omo fin.
Nzema region. Nzurano. Woni Nzurano. Omo ne. Ofi Nzurano na.
He fa na Nzurano. Nzurezu na o Nzurano. Ah.
No, say e Nzurezu ni.
Omo ne Kalala. Ene e wode
ene wo Nzurano.
Yawo wansane yawo Nzurano ho. Nzurano. Osi Nzurano.
Nzurezu one na we ni wono
Imota.
One na dynasty Nzuru. Na ofi Club so na ofi okwa nyina se no.
Azime ene ambenu ne
say Imota we can wansane ni hanko we wansane ni hanka we ka dia swaye we ka dia swaye
there be certain mission
Imota we ka dia swaye
certain mission say so fi
ya we wansane aso o kasa dodo
ye ko eni
ba kanya wansane so anka Imota e de mpian e kwa no
one Kalala ayim team.
Okay
ye ko eni ana mama ye ko eni nyina wa
ade ba ko amepe won Nzema side was say wo mu road no drive fast why the rough udi agba be ko speed sa wan hwe ade ka akwa ko bobi e da so sa ade kosi alubo enye easy cra and the only village in Ghana udru ha ekuro ni mu nyina ye de asphalt agu ho eye nkrofo kwame nkoma krum udru ha asphalt be bia asphalt
na black eye
yeah
unum say Esperance
Nico 2 oil was outside or
so say
na hankwa na ebisa me
Esperance o mu Tunisia na last week CAF Champions League no ni asano ko na ha say pre won say next season o metumi akobi no CAF Champions League no emu eye die pa final no na Esperance o mu elidi a chese o mu ne Wydad Club of Morocco and de so na go be APM wana Wydad 4% video assistant referee no e check go no say go no papa na say papa but sana video assistant referee we na esi wono sana na nya djuma
VR say na nya djuma
VR no you be say VR
can you imagine
it VR na nya djuma omo twa ana kofon say insist say no yen ko hwa de no omo ye omo ti akwa ko hwa because na nya djuma
me who say ye djuma
omo delay abe one na final na enko so ye
that's right
enti ka for hwe mu ana Wydad for no mfimo ko no omo aso ya de no do eno omo wie game no se game no kran ko so bi o last week Friday no
sa
enti omo declare Esperance so omo winners omo de medal asini na momo ba ka for ko transfer executive committee from ko transfer hwe mu amu say decision an ko ye
okay
enti no omo san ko bo game no bi o na we mo ko South Africa na mo san je medals ni na medals on ma dia mom do mo san je ni
sa ji obia de
na
no one magic stone boy ni shata de na ka
France we dwaye papa
say ye je medals de a so mo so GB
na France mo dwaye papa say oh boy so oni obi kura so de medal na ko man baby girl bi e ma che say woni baby a medal ko
ba ko kura so anane wanane medal de akwaji ska ko butu
actually am say we na ba na woni de akọ channel because of the come ni hin bi o baby
can you imagine
enti no say no
o hin not gold so once I come medal
in some baby Esperance the Tunis so mo mpene kura medals no mo fa nkọ
that's all
mo fa nkọ ntin nsem na
that's all me no mo ya
caf NFA cars e kan no ehun ehia
Matias here
ehun ehia kura nti mo cars for mo hwehwe mo because what present me that up nti mo nti
how many stories na aka
ba ko
yeah fast and I will check
na Real Madrid and some mo mo dey akosan Eden Hazard e dey fi Chelsea na sika no so yi pa 130 million pound.
Hey, we dey change Gareth Bale dey
convert ba cedis mu dey be ayin.
Hey, calculator na ni be pai. E be pai.
130 130 sika no so yi pa na 130 million pounds. Na ukoma ewure wa akọ computer ni mu a computer ni say you say Charlie Senes Ghana so no na chere say enye bete sa enye bete kra e be kwa nanim yi pa ama sika no uruwe mu akwhwa na chere say 5 years no terms and condition no salary ni be 200,000 pounds.
Hey, enye cedis pounds
200,000 pounds
enye dollars mpo
ene ye salary ni se na e be ko
every 200,000 pounds every day.
Yes.
Every month and every week.
No, sorry, never call every week.
Every week. 200,000 pounds every week. Penny, do you think that we are in the right profession?
I miss you.
Penny, do you think that you may be boy?
Maybe
we more time about Penny. Do you think that Nyabote offer a castle you more oh yeah, sure say we are in the right profession. She's going to be 200,000 pounds a week.
A week.
Oh, Penny, oh, yeah, sure said you may have a boy.
And more was going.
Trust where you more time you sponsor.
Me hear. Say the bottom equanim cry. Sikana Besanko so. I copy 400,000 Tebe times 2. Every keep your
EBTA grand. EBTA grand. EBTA grand.
Enti say jina sika kesi we so ya. Na black eye. Mamfa mani sina me raho.
Ade
miracle papa
sika no obi je no
miracle
sika obi monthly obi weekly pay na oje na ma wo raho
no miracle
onim sa u su pay wo ka obi so otie ni rebe ho de
eze no kwa de miss miracle
Even tired that say guys give it up for where we okay be my fans now there sorry okay sign it
so na me can use betway.com.gh into kwa www.betway.com.gh okwa e simple bet no na for pa both team to score no na found say we be 21-3 both team to score
that's right
they be me say has spoken ko boy we say both team to score
okay our betway so
and say bet 3-1-4 to ni so we be share na we be share
sir that's
we share na we share there
sir odem
eno so achi no option back on say away team to win in the half and I say home team to win in the half. First half it be a 1-0. Na second half we say betina 1-1 na yapon wedi.
Okay.
Yin ya say we be win first half and I say we be win second half.
Sir. Just game no nya twa nko a.
And another option so one say afuye pa. And no be a home team to score.
Okay.
They share 5-0, 5-1, 5-8. 27-1 ni ya say obeshebi
back atena
na wan share there was some she
na dey na odds no
odds na hasa na making
okay all right
me share odds no is gonna da so no it's be a home team to score no Bia satin mu ntimi hye.
That's yes.
Home. Nti mo se niska no. Yeah, ababa kobe 2 cities and 3 cities. Nti na say ne ho ensem kakra nani. Na akọ comment sika na.
Ose. Na comment sika. Dabi me try say me comment me phone nanim crack he. Crack. Me dey best is naka. Guys, give it up for Immortal. Hey, Immortal, sorry.
Na we se preko no season.
Give a man back on from Pananum.
Na asra wan so e. Anchem so e.
Hey, Immortal, sorry.
Obreku so e. Esuya kwan so e. Achenchena so e. O pete so e. O pron so e. Na twabuan so e. Adoa.
Immortal.
Omampam. Mapon.
I was all poor there. There is all poor. I just what's up.
I want to talk to Siri, man.
You want to talk to your friend? Hey, challenge me. What's up, Siri?
Make I try this. You know, go
this time around.
Yeah, make
okay. I just let's hear you.
Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Okay, then Jimmy. Hey, Siri. What is 10 trillion to the power of 10? Hey, Siri. What is 10 trillion to the power of 10? Yeah, but they will go to penny massive.
Akem.
I be going to call him.
Akem.
Menina Casao.
Akem.
Siri to cry.
I did it.
Hey Siri, what is 10 trillion? Also, there. What is 10 trillion to the power of 10? What is 10 trillion to the power of 10?
Siri.
That's a yafa.
10 trillion raised to the 10th power is 100000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000
Siri na omre.
Yeah, it's very near a billion.
Yes, we that time on
America, Baba, you phone every missa. And then I'm here, Siri.
Slim Basta. I let the tiny buffalo soldier. Slim Basta. I let the tiny buffalo soldier. Slim Basta. I let the nyadu buffalo soldier. So I man baby. So I man baby. Now baby. So I man baby. So I man baby. Now baby. Baby, DJ. Nigga me check I'm a OGP. Let's send them to hell. Yo one kojobo, man girl from family. She know what she know what she know what tell a chebe. I see my chico him belele. She know what she know what she know why him belele. You call it be one tilele. I'm going to obey him belele. If I feel on my head wall, the wash in mabu. She never bole boo. Bole me, when you bole me, me the one mini phone telling me home. Mini phone telling me home, eh? Mini phone telling me home. She got a lot. Solomon, me boo no. Slim, I let you bun pong.
Jim FM. Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Minutes to the hour 11. Me pa Charles say 11 and boy, you be activate full and what join in. It's all about Toli. Wow, then Jay Shamo crying there Kevin. Memeneda Sokooo. Abusha yasi ankonya. Yabasi eba mo fili o baby a obia. Penny, I like the way you are dancing and prancing. You are very elated.
Yes, because you are giving me a very elated songs and music.
Come again.
Yes, because you are giving me elated songs and music.
Okay. Fantastic.
The black guy.
Yeah.
I just so from a guy.
Debia.
I said, Mama, you mean? I'm a say, black guy, you are very, very talented.
I'm our Kai those days.
My Kai those days, then times.
I'm now Boshono. I come cop.
Now, when maybe Chinese in Igbo area. On any in about me, my human. Okay. John Gazi and John Beppe, then go home on bet night. Now, neither go away. Neither Chinese in you.
Okay.
And neither go an old black man.
China ni be mane China ni ba omo kashia ma na yere no kwa wo na yere no kwa wo de yin wow
very black bow
ase wo
Chinese ni jina hodi no so beni And I'm saying, I say, me by the better no. Something wrong. And I'm saying, what's the better say?
What's what to say?
Something wrong. Because all the English name, something wrong.
Something wrong. Because until I say, oh no, something wrong. I like the spirit. I did it. Are you also in the spirit?
Yeah, I went in. I came out from the spirit.
Fantastic.
Me bano.
That's a good mic. Now mic not share this. How can I say mo?
Eba.
Video.
Mike neba.
Edemudi.
Se me ba ha. Yeah, me gina kwa ho. Etwetwa mba na ombese pictures like me hobby no.
Okay.
Like I like it.
You like it. Open mom who fa na utwa mo pictures.
No mo twitwa mo se na me twam pictures. Nti get me gina kwa na get besin. Unique me hu bi da. Ja get ne sin.
Listen.
Get ne besin kwa.
Okay, get ne besin. Okay.
Obesin kwa no. Get ne network. 5 minutes later, I'm going to turn the best. And me chat to on the picture. No, I could be tapping on me. Then the machine. We are for what's happening, why?
I don't go cry. Because who chap picture and we are for what's happening. Oh, taste.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That guy.
Yeah.
I don't even be. That guy only say having a sugar daddy without knowing your father, very risky.
So who sugar daddy now anymore, papa?
Yeah, it's very risky.
Okay.
But we dey be film. So guys, how you doing?
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. Black eye. When you say you know Muslimi for you. Omudi Baraka understand like yeah. Black eye. SMBC when we say me young cocoa fear which is portrait.
Oh really?
Which is recent.
Layers and our broilers.
Black eye. Now we turn it to the American.
Layers. Wow, dealing with cocoa be say layers and our broilers.
Broilers in the lane.
Oh, and you're going him.
Black eye. Now him say send him baby tray ma me be car confirm be asem wa ha ba.
This same baby buy. Yeah.
Black eye sound him say cocoa e frey yen portrait farm association.
Okay.
Say omuni yen wo bi kan.
Cocoa so mu wo bi kan.
Na then they see ultimo say Idil Fitri Muslims for fashion. Black eye unim say omudinu 2 times in a year.
Yes, ba ko ya fitting ba ko ada.
Yeah. Na ultimo say ba ko no first one ye omo ye akonche no.
Yeah.
Aya omo wi a omo de nkoko eni.
Yeah, we omo nheda nkumu ya nkoko nketo yeah.
Na ba ko na edi eche na no omo nya azumi. Na no omo nya fasting. Na no omo wi a ebikum aye nentwie ebi nso kun dwan.
Na no omo ye no audacious.
No tun say mo an omo rototi omo.
Na no ne ase.
Omo di. Na sane e be ya mambo ya so be hye de akui. Madam fu bi ya frɛ no Zakari. Na Zakari no wa no ho say ono de pa say eye obeto akoko di eye Sanland de bi ono de che say na go de nkwa ya fambra no nonje na onim say eye afi de yi omia ne ni ya azumi ni ye na owie ye no lakai eye Zakari wonya akoko bia bo no amia ne ni koton kokko sis
ekwan bia so
okoso okobon paye ewo eye Independence Square.
Okay.
Oba ye no frɛ ni nua Sadat. Say Sadat ka o kaje na munyanka suduka.
Na
Okoye so akoyi nkukɔ no obuo no okoye na nkukɔ na vanish.
Oh how? Nkukɔ ba ko 6 na.
6 ne nyina vanish.
Me kwa akɔbɔ mpaya aba.
Yes, ana me ka cho.
Ana ɔkɔ wan nkukɔ ni dio.
Otumu pepe. Oyobi aneni e den credo wa to de obetimato.
Heavy.
Otumu obi e na nkukɔ 6 ne nyina vanish.
Nipa na nya ni bi.
Yes. Baka isa na nkukɔ no bansere bɔ ma se nkukɔ na fɔm ho adwen.
Oh how?
We na ye man kokɔ no frɛ yɛn ɛyɛ portrait association na asɛm a ɔmo de tu yɛ nim ne sɛ sɛnea yɛn nuanom ɛyɛ muslimifoɔ yi ɔmo yɛ saa ɔmo first azumi wia the way a yɛ a ɔmo nkokɔ no ɔmo ho kyere ɔmo targeting nkokɔ no na ano ɛhye na ɔmo de tu yɛ nim sɛ yɛn bɔ mɔden kan kyɛm sɛ next year ɛyɛ azumi sɛ ɔmo bɛdi ɛyɛ Idil Fitr afashe no a ɔmo bɛyɛ azumi no yɛ nkokɔ line ne de ɔmo rotate empem bua bi foforo emfendi
a confirm wo ho
kokoko wo ho sa black eye sa
kokohwede wo
ho na sania sis na yera aye no eno omo de ye just
bibi keke de chere Zakari
our tiwa ho
yeah because see a normal form adwen say next we on besan ebiom a the bansere be bom nyina ma say it before ade be chen a che say on be na hill action one nyina right no we are the mom barka de sala
fantastic yeah openi
Basim and some koso Basim
uchire mu say
and some koso
chire mu
na akoye ne ho besepa de ko bia ha man
eno ne asem
eta se nyansa fo mama betina Basim na Basim na black over betina mu mama no se bekuta kwala bi ye kan kwala se beta fe na ni mu otan ya se bi akwala we na ho otan
mama ne ba na ni mu ahu
na ho otan eti bi na mete back wo ana de akwala na bo ne ko nti we se wo de akwala tena ka mu na so de ne bo ko wa o hwe mo
akwala ni mo hwe akire na wo hwe anim
na wo hwe anim sa na bra bi tu na akwala ne hwe anim na bra nse ji wo anim tan fi manim ji wo tan fi manim eto didi na tama maame ne ebufuye ana maame ne ebufu maame ne se me mpasa eto beti ne jeno se oh dai be openi yan kasa sa sabi obi akwala enyine sa maame ne ana so de ye fa bi ne maame ngita de otene jeno fa bi ne maame ngita na de kokoku ne je se
maame na okita akwada ne bufu ye na oni obi kwa ham no
ono obi kwa na de
otene nche ne sesai
oh what if I didn't mammy get out?
Father, and mammy Gutan, Nako, Andre, no.
And the essence of the
banner will be a dinner temper with Jano. Your tenant is on Fanny Man, no Fanny Man, no say. For what reason, mammy? Namengo. Now let me make us a bus, must be home. Me young queen, said a drone Tom. And a coconia, rich daughter. Okay, so Scaniba bar. Ever banner than a coffee, and the mammy can say, oh. Na branch de juma ben woye na isa so ba ne do ne nti na so me ku de woye businessman pa sa se na dress no sa no so okay eti omo September wa de ne ba so eti for the past week na get akwala no onko adwuma se na akwa ne ko do no ton wo kam ba sisim eti afedie esa so mu wie no oskeni ne kwa bontina ne ka ko break it na so ko fa tro okay
to ko tro ni mu na fe owura nso na juma time aso eti owura ba si ni mu no eno de ne ko dro no esi ho eno man si o man de she o ka o man de she fe na ne to na nim
wrong timing
oh you know what I was saying o man de she so ni kai eno be on next ba si nim e wa no si e di mesira o ko to edura
yo black guy openyi money yo
o man de she wasi kwadwo nso aba
black guy no say me no mananti na me na metete
say ho
u be tikpe
awe
me nam kroma na me say black guy dan kwasa kona any fry for me no be the simu pa na fight omo kon ye pato omo kura black eye nje
omo kon fight
black eye nje o
omo kon fight
sa na me pa kire na fight pa na omo kon fight ye pato omo kura mpata Timmy John man am say na nkrofo mo he na mo pa mo so masa ya pato ma nya na am say dabi me use me strategy one no
sa
ti one am share da kam na me ka say hey Charlie any frafo yo mo ku de me tade okita se kan echi e wa me say black eye omo mi enu nyina we tu fa na we tu afa abi nkrofo epeja me ye me no say me di no ngwasa ene ne dan kwa gote mu santai Charlie
Black.
Yeah.
Say there's new slay queens in town.
Okay.
We smokers for Fraba town. At the pound for Fraba town. SSC for my yeah. From town. Underground artists for Fraba town. Na China Monday I think BC is almost started. Na da oti ezama. They catch yourself more exam then about trim first take out to say who exam then about trim first apo jana one what my share apo experience be like a level be a
Charlie before so bad the guys give it up for OPD Okusi apia na oh na me here obepie wa hey agwo we pa
I forget things.
Only why dey
I forget things.
You forget things.
What you say me nim baby am.
Just say ora kra fi bibia.
Me hu ya say my baby studio.
Fantastic. I dey utu ya na afa form.
Nyame mu kre watch.
Yeah, but ya uni.
Osabo watch me.
David. Me kwa na meti ase.
What you say
aje. How many hours make a day?
24 hours make a day.
Only 48 into more days.
48 more days. One day. Fantastic. I just trust
Black. Okay, first time I watch them movement be away here jail.
Apart so be I be. Me dey say those na me chirogu me stress so. Me chirogu me stress so. I know China do shows na kataso.
Okay.
Yeah. Santa wata de cry na show to me dani inside no.
Okay.
No watchro go. Then na watchro na questions no ba kokura ma wo ha waso to me ehye pa.
Yeah. Me obi ana me said am pay aposa.
Okay.
Me kind me first primary school dey me come from na. Na me new friends so that. Na ja. Teacher no o my first no the next day no so be class test. Na kwa brand me fa book to me na me copy sisters na me twa obi a na me defense hey obi anti ase say obi a wo ba bro for cry yen dey teacher so yen sanye foforo
yeah
nti odi go board no so na me kwa brand me ko bie second page me copy na obi twe no kon aba be pem wa na so ja copy twa bi
sa
no hu ya no team say he is copying eja four strong words Jimmy Babi it's no man pay up but me san call secondary school me san ko pay kakra because na yeah then is yen ko
ina wo moye
na woni ma dey friend back to sender
chire mo
o say wo chiro exam sa na mo exam wona vigilator ni evaluation ye tight obi to me o wasa no bia to bibia betom paper ya answer ni atoaba o ha na vigilator na san fa ato atwe back to sender no ne back to sender na one of the days I'm not yet trained. I'm a kaipa say mostly it has about church go and now about with table no so my train me in a good table so be a good table so na ja start work none the we are invigilator say my so serious no I say hey you stand up and go and sit here.
Me was what me be a good table no so.
And one I'm kind of say please I want to go with my table.
And go with your chair. And go with the chair too. Go with the chair too.
Black
yeah.
Charlie. When him say yatsina sia dwenye mebi nwa me hu say uko UK memu ne US memu aya na mpempi na warefo kwakoda aya na black omo onkrabi omokra especially uko US omokoda also good night honey have a sound sleep wakoda na uba UK memu so and also say darling have a good night have a sweet night na oni pande iti akoto na mada na yeba ye kurom Ghana ha say ya ayam pempi no dia ya tight ne say mami ya what to do so nim mami ya to do so ni window ni mu nyina o ne yan kwada na adenti na ye de no aya ye ntime ma good night na de bia do so ni window se hu amane sa
na say ye romantic ana
black eye any romantic asemo ya no mbebe nti no eno ne ade a ye de ma ye hu good night
eno ne asemo no ko utu anye ya bibi atumisi wada so na ego abonten
serious
Jali
Toli machine Toli
yeah
je na fatrum
ni na se black guy e we aso ni for your cromfo we na dey for your cromfo
sa
a cromfo men say bi sia one in this kind of say oh yen ko restaurant ngongo didi ne bom say nyina ko bomu a ye ho ba kire akwa bi septa fa na ye wait afeni afan from obro wa bi enti akwa na ba say ogabra nti obi akwa wanwan me pa cho ma me say ni na ko se be 200 Ghana odide wie na akwa ne ba no say ona bo pa cho misika o so matia waka and as say we restaurant say na be your money disturb other people no na o ma ni ku na wa so le ko second one buy the same thing na kwa ne hu say dey be say oboka be 5 million enti third one ne buy no say koi o say fa say mo so costing na ko 3 million 700 bep no so wura mesrew en ko for trouble be di dom te say wa obi aba no abaji me ya so atua dan do kwa we de em ye ni muni aduana me dia ba no first come me ngo
sa
o hwele mu sa say me pa cha eno de ya wonu business o me sra fa me sama me
ebiem
kese we de o de me sra fa me sama and you know me sra fa me sama mo me problem bia
ade na on tua
ga no mo say jenza akwe we no de wo so jenza mo eh wa hwe bia de be yo ha say na me say bia say mo we ni den e na no kromfo we ndia we kromfo na sense ye enra ready yi bibi kire me
sa
bakai
you are in the spirit
me na make a kire me adam
wansa ne wa bi sa say e wo
na bi hu mizuo
say osuo no
mizuo so de wansa ne ka kire me
mo abom na so ba na
yo
go eri
bakai we de Ghana fo na me nteni ye sabi onipa uwa hell wo ho na enra de nyame yi kire me ma ngumom but me die no me bia me spirit copy me do samando na me hu se hell no black eye nyame o ni bibia pepepe aki ntu do bon ya de ni ye hell ho no o sere o do bon ya de ni ye hell ho no se we America ni ya wo uja.
Oh, really?
Is that so? Me na make a check. I'm born here different.
Okay.
So I South Africa. Okay. It's a country. Bia. And they how punishment at the mouth.
Wow.
Money ne dia. Ukum ni pa. Ubi adi. Unya kwa musam jemwa. Like problem na before mo the same thing.
Okay.
Eti me drew America hona mo say. Wo bia nyina o.
America for
America hell one. Wo bia nyina o.
Okay.
Because e hono ye do betina electric. Ye do betina electric ayim. You do better electric akomyam. Na ya electrify say wungunti no. Ya electrify say one year you.
Okay.
Me do akoto empa na doa e wo so. You do boss sa
America hell no.
Me na make a chere wo. Wow. One year say you. Ye wia. Na fe no. The one be no. I like akwa be gwa no. Lashes bra no. No be bow. And also 30 minutes no akoda.
Wow.
Sasa na tie enti me kwa wo bi ani wo. Na me sa ba South Africa for there no. Me be do na me hu say I said the same and then electric and I said yeah the same. And I'm saying my memory Ghana and black eye.
Udu Ghana hell.
Yeah, when was soon and then
our Ghana hell.
Me do Ghana hell no. And nipa baby at it free. Oh how? One at it when I'm saying there be about from patch bra. And Crawford na obi ade nipa to ba had nipa go up and us oh. The engineer nipa go abrofo so mo. And I'm saying abrofo no say the engineer man for ba say no. PS4 and a light no so light in what enti akonya no light nya dwuma enu je do go trem free anasi ewo ena do no so yatua mo ka me so mo photo by supplier no ba gis Kennedy that one
up to now
18 form na da free am for that avesi di ogwa ma
na that one e dey impania news ana
kati that do mo dey ma scared dem ma no dey send boarding what this Kennedy na
wow
na ni na te ko da kwa no lashes no so e civil servant nto ba no be san ya no ko
onya adwuma no
na bi ke se e momma eni se sa brofo ni nyina no abegu odi me sira wada wan hwo mbe changes
okay
etu so be wu ne
sa ne se wu na waso be hye in the sense say mortuary workers is almost strike na da hu gina mu
say gina say mortuary workers ni e na ma o te na me ka say so wo mo go nyina no oni gina line so oh when tin say man hu ntam nam ni afuma hura mu a na so mo ye light na mo ba kire
na mu ni kan
and dem hu sunsun black eye enye easy
black
yeah aki
one say ya sofo your ma be nsem pi na nam kromo
chiremu ebi me ma Bible verse a obogo go him cry
what is
Exodus chapter 2 verse 23 and 24
so nani ya sofo ba ko pe eye obinim
oh your friend obinim your friend no archangel
nyabote
your friend no archangel
nyabote black nyabote
angel
yo tie
watra angel
ansana yen yebenim sa se engine se angel se angel nyabote
Exodus chapter 2 verse 23 and 24
dia yenim din na ba first na yenim say you binim
but they say you're archangel
yo odemi wi an ye be hu say angel ni bebe mu sembem
obinim
na black obinim say Ghana ade ono ye ka sika de a ono ye osikani owo sika sin obi a
ɛne ɛhyɛ no ho
sana meka cho
ɛne ɔnkɔtɔ ɔbɔfoɔ kaa ne bi
sana meka cho na
ɔbɔfoɔ
di oni mo be try obinim say di oni mo be try no
aha
ono be kyerɛ no so wo sika obeto planes mako 5
obinim boa
Nyabote black uni ni bottom. Obi ni ya nyabotre uni ni bottom o.
Obi ni wo bua o.
Nyabote o so beto.
To me to play beto. Chena di beto. Obi say agudie.
Obi so beto.
Obi ni meka bibia.
Nyabote beto.
Obi ni I challenge you say wo bua.
O so beto.
Obi ni wo bua.
So beto.
To me to play back 5.
So beto. O si play back 5 for beto.
No park it away.
Na black.
Our Bema campaign say o park it.
Unim black. Now you say and me tell say Jewama. Me who say akwe 5 planes your so person or 3. No mu so your angel. Angel dey say ka win your play.
Yeah, okay say John Benjamin catch say obi nim ko John Benjamin say o man visa nkwa brochire. Na John Benjamin say for the way. I say na so to me come man for that him. Na no na na to go ba visa for the way. Obi nim 5 planes there. Obi nim we there abroso.
Maybe I know can play rice.
Obi nim we there oboa.
Maybe I know can play rice.
Okay.
Maybe I know play rice o.
Obi nim wa. O se ni bufu a.
O se ni bufu o beto play back 5.
Obi nim oboa.
So pass the bufu.
Ena me sra men fa pinch ba.
So pass the bufu.
Obi nim hwe no fa pinch ba ma ha o. Baba.
So dey o pass.
Baba na amoka se ni me hwe.
Share the bufu o beto.
Obi nim se share the bufu. Obi nim ya share bufu to play 5 no.
Me say the awuye one here Monday no ato.
Obi nim ya share bufu to play 5 no.
The awuye Monday o beto.
To play 5 no. Onyanko.
Saturday omo to place here adwuma o. Saturday
na plane obe park away. Obe park away back who Adom yi so. Maybe just okota marana back park back.
Me menya showroom amano.
Awa hefa. Area bay.
Menya showroom.
Area bay.
E wa Accra New Town.
Accra New Town. Hefa side. Agbaje na side na he. Share ho no. Yo guys, give it up for Angel Obidi. I can show you you can't saw the pinch by the mujane. Obinim the pinch by the mujane. Titi Suchine taxi driver. See, Obinim will visit you in your dream.
And please, I am not among.
Obinim will visit you in your dream.
Please, in
your dream.
But
when him say this week, I think Enras Enrich here, yeah, bra pen your chami coffee Odin birthday. Now or chami coffee or my senior man. Now Odin awoda. Now it was nice. You know, a happy birthday, though belated. And confirm or Chiame Kofi. And the action is also live on Facebook at Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Young Uncle Fa a Chiame Kofi mo. Oh, Tumba Kunya from Paya Nubia baby phone lines. Almost see the asa. This one is way back in the 90s.
It's a dead body. Nene mene ubesa. We your boy. Tenda woman musamba. Ukra great. Ben come for. Nifa for. Musaso. Logo. Ati apepito. Wasakini bema. Mini koto. Naso minko roko to every set. And each year. And festigaho Mr. Loco. I read one no. And each year yo. You better the bang.
And they better ochna.
You better dodge
Adom FM 106.3 feeling it deep.
My crown and the belly, Chama take off, I'm a 2 man.
see, so me see, try my stomach with city. We share our brag, you are homie. When me say, we see Joe or rap, huh? Mr. Wa, for me, you. You're gonna say, your body say, you're gonna say,
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling you deep.
So we see, they're gonna say, Dan Wedgie, they're gonna say, I who know, and need you.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, 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 yo.
You better the bang, you better the bang, you better the bang.
And you better dodge now. I cheer me coffee and I cheer me coffee. Belated birthday wishes going out to you, senior man. I cheer me coffee. You are a great man. Me patch up on telephone line, mama. Why? Toli.
Maji.
Toli wa denche. Opening again. Na sa wuka ye na untini e wo muma so no ko hu nyina yi say adai.
Na maka just say no dey support me and the face guide. Face guide. As a map be platform.
Again.
As a map be platform. Wow. Face guide.
Yes sir. Yes sir. And you better yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Them call you from. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. And you better them call you from.
Okay, conversation I and Dr. Philip earlier on efa Nyuma Pa Redeemer Herbal and Research Center for ye dia boa Ghana for no Dr. Kasabi Bre na dia ba ko ja wo mu ne won telephone number nti bebre na na fresh so doctor mo telephone number ne say mon kan kire na yenso yentumi enye de enko ne enkonko je ayarehwe ne ayaresa and to Redeemer Herbal and Research Center on telephone number ni 05444 29083. Metre 05444 29083 and 0245 014 136 0245 014 136 and no any doctor number ube to any doctor atwetwe and komo ewo so. This is Adom Patro me baby, me telephone line at him. Anomansre. Obeda hu se krama hu atim fifiri. Obeda hu se aponche hu atim fifiri. So amu nyina wo so atim. As well.
Come anyone and come cry. I'm on the way. Smell my one all day. See you soon. Come anyone and go. If you're my way. Smell my
Good morning to you, Mabel Nate of ADB La Paz branch. Mabel Nate, good morning to you and have a great weekend. Kwa homa no so sana nje busie enye no na etua o fe utuba zami o no biere unkwa na odie ebede no no adua no nkwa ani onye sika no nkrofo kwa na moche okwa na cash ne be hwe ho anu wa editing yes what any chief editor by force ade no je 100 so do say 40 no nya obo editing kwa ebi sre ebi didi ebi su muada ebi ti ebi su nti ye kura ebi Ebi didi ebi muada. Ebi tiye so ebi tiye kura. You we coffee. Ow. Efidie na chi aboa na ni sunku na eja no so ani sunku. Anoma wo hoi onsre. Papa Bill say Papa Bills is dancing to this tune to say where one of his favorite high life tunes. Black Coffee B near CC Joseph. Bring the time to 10 after 11. Memeneda Sokooo in the building. Me patch me telephone line in here. Papa me who? Papa me who telephone line first? Don't care about my name. They say I'm happy. And a bombachi. Mammy saving Guma Jimna Mishingu. Okay, 0302 216561 0302 216562 0302 216561 0302 216562 and only and telephone numbers here did you man no pay baby I will share I would you would say what you told him toli party bring it on Wansane ka obasheno Akika obasheno Kwame Saido Osi anomansre Toli Debbie Come one Toli Toli wadache Udini baby out sheminia Apia shahia no pay.
Chama lebano.
Bibia da di die.
Boko.
Na utoli ne say.
Toli na ne say. Unse kane we kurase no. Ne ekosa asebe. Ne tama yekuwura mkucham papa. India ye de beje bai. We na igupu ye say. Nipa 55 nya yebia nkuwura ne nkuta ye papa emra. So lucky na ejimi 45 eko one group. Omkuwura mkucha papa. Omo chompa pe yo ma chichere hu ye na jimi ba ko pa udika mu no akokai wo mu o kai wo mu no wan kai wo no anka ho no onya fo ho no ka kire wo ma aka no ba ko ayira yemu ba ko ayira yo to su ne no se o so ya kai he o so kai wan kai wo so anka onya fo omo ya sa ma sa fu ni na kai ho bia nya siga fo omo ba ko ayira ne ko bo si guura mu sa 6 months no mo ma fi yeah, but quite. When a teacher for yourself and Colano Copel, we cook no woman, not day. Also, you move back quiet and Tina that MF, no, quiet. I said, no, yes, I'm say 5. But that's only 5. Was in Antiasia. And you would give a woman as a kind goo or say, will be a fan of a camera. You're Jiku home, and you're 5 was a one kind of it. Omokai no one 5. And I say you move behind you and you're breathing. Kenya sasa bring na braka nkomu da su gura mhono mo ya mo pe omuni ana
Toli machine udini baby a sheminia
but your friend is still me kasa free atomic
na ne ntie o
yeah papa sof will be na we bro chire ho na abafa na yiri free abroach Ghana na den ko no mu 7 won money salad wo play mu uche
mi tie o pa
ena mama no ye de ono nya ponchi no are salad onya ponchi no are say dia anyway so for us to ni fi play ni mu no na profun kwa na si play ni ena sorry general see ladies and gentlemen can you close your eyes and let's pray before we eat this food ana mu nyina kata mani lake ana so for the shots any toss ka baba ano dani ne ni tira ne yeren akosia wan ka no to aduane ka no to mende aduane na sera mesia power sum play mu obi abeti en ka wa so sorry na see lake kabala bara thank you very much for
very unfortunate the line I drop it come again my brother Toli oh Toli. Toli oh Toli. Toli mashi. No why ni o?
Toli oh Toli.
Toli wa da che. Why ni o?
Yo ya fema azi me kasa sida salbochi.
Aize yeti o.
Yo. We de nye se Ghana ni bi na kwa brochire. Na ko ya na se toilet ni ho ntia. O be ko toilet ti no. E dia na wodi nyina na o save woni yem. To save dia na sa for 3 years. Ono went to toilet. Ana ja ko pe plaster bi na. O de tare ni to. Ntumu ni sa na mo born se ni o mra Ghana. Sada obedu Ghana na wayale ne de no ko hospital. Ntomo ne du ya na o ka che nurse on se nye yale o. Na mo hwe me to na bibi wo. Na nurse nso yo wate. Ana o se obie ma o mie kakra na yesa ade be to ne nye. Na nurse o no adwuma na o sian to ye professional. So yisa na ko ka ba ko. The last one no doctor ni wa he ni ye. O yi na na tu no. No na mawiem. Na school for so jina park so. Omo wa sa mo say Yesu go. Yesu go. Akoi top wa say wo se na woni na ba wo sia Yesu se na ote.
Kava sheno. Yo, Toli oh Toli.
Toli agbogboshi.
Toli kaneshi odoko. Kaneshi odoko la tabi okoshi isa.
Toli akirase.
Na why ni o? Na why ni o?
Toli mampo.
Eh di abroso Toli abroso.
Champion black eye.
Mini abibi abako de.
Ozadi Adom. Odi papa.
Odi ni baby a hye.
We ye obibini ba ko pa maka waburi.
Be pono so na wo jemframa na no adwo.
Ni obibini amaka waburi. Black eye.
Na wo hye be pono so na wo jemframa na adwo.
Kuna begu ha. Ya se, ko kire me papa.
As well.
We kimi na.
Eh ode fa Toli ni bra wi anu akọ rest. Why?
Toli oh Toli.
Machine.
Madam mi wa. Ana na me kire say oh won ko jam won kokọ. Nti ọkọ no no kita abofra ba ko. Nti ko du ko fobia no. No ha na sisa ba kwa pam. Yes, both food. Abofra say I say akosi adai. Made both fruit. None of papa man. Now you got for people. I say then akosi I say made you got none of papa man. Tana driver no suit ya Adom FM. And Adom FM for boy jungle no. Adom FM. Abofra say I say then. I say made you Adom FM. I say ube di Nhyira FM. Ube di Nhyira FM.
Bacho mu ya na mo de Love FM ape no so why. Mo man asempa ne join on fampa na num later. Enu ye dessert. We are one no more TV aguso. Toli.
Toli masi.
Wa dache. New Town. Aja baby. Udi ni baby a Sheminia.
I friend you man me fi Jamestown.
Baby esi. Yeti. Aha.
Enya asantini bi na ofiku as taxi driver. Oh. Hello.
Mitio pa.
Eba ka no. Taxi no ko nya na ko churo gamehi. Uti ase.
Debi o.
Gamehi che ase ngrafo nye.
Okay.
Ni na mi kasa no.
Okay.
The taxi no fa post office abe fa bukom. Obi anfa no. Odi ko akofa choko. Odu choko na obi jina na obi san say den na wa churo wo no. And also gamehi na bi san say uti ase o si onti ase. Na ye born as wo si den na ma churo medina o gamehi ase che ase ngrafo.
Hello? Oh, line break your man tini. You see a born assume no yeah day.
You born assume and no be say and then my NSC din na wa chọ nuti ase no so no see gamehi che ase ngrafo nye. Una ngrafo asa so na o si ngrafo nye. Odika no ko park wo fia na oyi sticker na odi atwa de no. Ana na fofo ka design ada na wa chọ. Ada no ti na wa yi mi ama no si ben Kenya ke gamehi che ase
interesting. Yeah. Yo, Toli. Toli mashi wa ade cheje shaba kra. Udi ni baby a shebi dia.
Me kasa fi ko bukura fe me ko red.
Nice one, go red yentie we.
Me nyanko fantini bi. Oso nko school. De bia no de nkrama na okọ penkrante ne mpuro ni ni maniama. Awe da kro fu nia doctor bia na wa woso na wia atiato na ne nkrama na fa. Wa training nkrama no so fine. Woso a na moya frato na nkrama na fa da kro fu de nyame nta no afritoy. Na nkrama so no wa fi hai mula. Toli mati.
Wa de check kadeshi odoko inside. We didn't baby a share.
You from great you have me kasa fit about committee 11.
That is you.
Okay. Black uni bibi.
Yeah.
Akwa bi ona o tene kurasi che pa nti. Wọ́n sẹ́ kurasi so tena cha yekun abo a yema obia betwa biwe.
Aha.
Ena papa bi okokun abo no na ode abo no betu krotia so obia metwa biwe. Enti akwa ba ko adufurudie enti oba ya so ode ompe abo no bibia ompe ne bibia ope ne yemu nneoma no. Ana oyi ne ho nyina na Adom fo mo be se naked. Eno onu wura abo no to no okutwa abo no yemu nneoma. Into ofoforo nso bae no 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 so bae na chefe we hu se ono so opa abo no ne baby ne hwe ane na asefo no.
Okay.
Into ono so bae no bitwa ohwe ohwe de sense ono so pe de sense ono ana otwae.
Sa.
Into by the time akwa no oku owura inside bae no obae na obi atwa no o se ebusuafo obi a we twa wrong meat na eto obi an twa wrong meat papa bi na be twa bi sesi ano de ko e ho na papa no bu hwe no wuye
ideas yeah you Toli wa da nche tema committee 1 committee 2 cooperative committee 8 inside we didn't baby a share
yeah me Newland
you na etie why
we dey Fantinibio ana otikem asa de behu bia no waka obi to bofrot mo dem to bofrot obodo ohunu obi to kokko so ase kokko na we de odu ba bi na police for a bribe no police for de mo pe bribe o da police ni ba ko te ejide oyi ni card o se marampo mo no sa na mo kan kwasa asem
one farmer no ade ama no ho yo Toli mashi we didn't baby out share why you
Toli number 4 asoni kwa unjeso
na etie
yo Victoria ni say papa bi to hu eno ne ba agodo afu kan afi no ekomu bae na no ye den ena on do afu no bu enua no ena afu no wo ye ena papa ne say ne okomfofo ma akopadu ne aba eti ne ba no enhye afu no ai no fa se ne o no fa se won hye afu no o chichiri tani o sunum tani ne de ebita ben e friend tani
yeah
e bia mo won kan de bia mo nim
o minim
o yere ho no agire de ebita be ana akwara ngo gina afu no emfiri ana o de tutun ha no ho nyina hye ai ana ne wo fa ne hye ewire mo ana fe je me hye ba ne akwara no wasi ankre mere hye wo wasi o hye wa yere ho hye o bu do kro bu mpanyimu afi se o komo akan wasi ankre mere hye wo wasi oro hye wa yere ho hye o bu do kro bu mpanyimu afi se o komo akan afi na ankre ne ba ya ne wo ba sina wa hye ebe ensuimu mitori no
eti wa wi
bajo ma wi kemi fa from radio
we ya bedua yes am dey another one but we are cinnamon dua na dey be fro Toli mashi why you
me pato me kasati weja oglogo
you need to say
they did Don Sasa
yeti o
yeah he told me say enye akwadia ofi ekwasi ena me anti e ko fa ni bank don't say kwasi so e ko toilet ya e ko ni fi ti
yeah
yeah did the back no say toilet na German unita class the water process any issue and idea for court or court toilet issue no or shall issue the toilet but you class the court toilet na akutum if you buy no baka chene anti say me anti a court toilet the toilet no issue no so bibi o press so and ya o press so and issue gidi insurance de toilet no ko di mrikaba anti passion insurance de libi ni ko insurance de libi ni ko toli ewura di nyame
yo toli mashi na why ni o
toli kama abra flip ni
yo na bibia bako dia binia
nyame adomo black
yeti we
me tole no ayo skeni dina ni baba nke ba akope na akola no papa no bomode aso be he na di ope bia de mano awe na dako na akwai epie ogako TV kakra okoba na obapa ti ho no na obaye no na de na afa na ni so nti obaye no hu papa no ase wonim no baby onanim lucky familiar mano ahi na wonim no wan kai no na papa ha na ni so ante bia no wuye
na wi no mo shikra de do munya free mo munya wi ni hie munya hye na wa shikra o papa kra uhunu aza unim aza who are you who is you yo toli mashi wa denche me ba cha hwan ni o
me did the abigo makaza free tema computer
yo sta abigo etie we
enya school fobi and yes mo nka twi eti ona ba akukọ ekenke rebu ho oduye no say pacho meto dai kono eya ma be shaito I want to go back to your circle for you as speaking was fly co. Fly co. Let us say one cut through a corner back as a tree.
Sir.
They told you no.
Sister, I'm blasted too much. Yo,
Toli
Mashi, wa deche. Je shabo kra. Udi di baby awshe.
Me pacho ya frame Samona na kwesi eji dodo na frame option so e wo ka me ka se free connection.
Oh, okay. The way I want my full name, I saw ko jevesa.
Okay, this me tell you say enye krobi ya frame na tima jobie. Na kunu mu ane bro papa no hene bo da wuro no sem na say kunu wa se fe no wo hu sem na memu a wo kunu bro enti no sisia no wa obeburu bia na ye beto no ye bebo sakula enti unam kwemu ani wo wa bo sakula na trese wo sa ni ba no yo bia wo boro pa we na kwa ba ko nzo ye fro me tuni efu ono so po enti edu anadubi Friday anadubi no bro ye no da kuru wan ntimi enko fie no da bonchen ana committee for no so be che no nto mo be che no ebro na wa bro ntinu wan hu he ana omo bonus akula to mo bonus akula wie ye na so de ade tie sole no den safa no ho oden safa na ho se na afi wode ne safa ni trini so ko be da na ni trini efu nti so de safa ni trini ho anwi ni no se na sa me kura nyamia enyamia na me so mani abre me ho din It's a totally no.
Yo, Toli
Mashi.
Wa deche. Udini baby ashaminia.
Kata wine, Bremen Kokoso.
Usu didn't say
Kata wine. Bremen Kokoso.
Usu didn't kata wine. Hey, what blasted. That ain't you.
Hey, yeah. Canada president na Kwame Nkrumah Dr. Nkrumah Bishop by Ghana ha no ba ni na wo bomgba no ma ni na obekasa o say I come to describe of Fojafo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na do Ghana chedi Ghana sidari ayo sajifo also o sijafo o sajifo so jajafo waka didi da le fe obutwa so fe de waka ko no osade fu no hunka ojajafo osijafo ofujafo le fe obutwa so
Yo, Toli.
Toli Masi.
Wadenche.
Akwasi apia the black guy.
Yeah, now I knew.
Wakwasi bi adinga the South Enterprise.
Makwasi.
Akwasi apia the black.
Me that's it. Makwasi yetio.
He told you say.
Aha.
Sikani bi o. Ana oni why ni fi no o swimming pool ho. Ana sabi ani flap obi so mo sole a papa no o ya ma papa no kwa adwuma no mo di swimming pool na yo mo dia no ma ko dem no ma jale na ya mo o penso attention tv to mo ko dina so no ma huri no ma tum cho na we ya huri no ma jale papa no no ma sensio no na we da ko dia papa no beba bia no o sensio ni so na isa ana o ko no twi sio ni nyina film to mo so ba first one ni dim ko mo ya pray o dim ka go down first one so no huri pau. Oh, na second one no so so.
Makwasi credit asa. Yo, Toli. Toli
Mashi.
Wadenche. Why you?
Me I'm
from Daku kasa free here.
Cantonment.
Na intio.
Yeah, me Toli we say. Yeah, bro, ma wo kuta pita rola wati ai kotoko tin ya wato to roi. Do bi ko ai kukura. It will be as a that free, other me free, kukura. On this, on smart get me like
ideas. On where money who fans. Yo, Toli
man.
Why that chair? Why you?
But if I'm not because it's your doctor.
Barbara, it's you.
I have been a what to crew. If only me, Marco done now and Marco done in sound. And I never me a man. Oh, so a crony and the animal, Miss Enema Fabaco, and so Fabaco, and no me and the man. And I do a dance, I'll say, then I say, Adom. Azuma ukroni ya me ya toli.
I can stay by plan. Strategic Tolipa as well. Yo, Toli. Toli Mashi. We didn't baby house.
Me casa fra ko asinjo club.
You ran it you.
Yeah, a police ni so jani bi na TV. Ana mo nyina ma eco school. Ana police ni no ba no. Ayo mu ya zamza otimito so be eta ya be 20 otimito so be 19. Ana so jani ba no so to second. O so be fia. So jani do be bu ni ba no sa. Ana say ni to so second. So ni be fia mi bu abo me. O no mu ya 20 otimito so 19. O so ba ba nyore o se mi report no ba. Na mi di one sit ashim. Timi di one sit di some di man papa no bi so no ho one sit no be. There's a no. Yeah.
Koti hu ma bana jeme. Banga. Wa kra fi. Ya kra di mo Toli. Toli Mashi wa denche. Wudi ni baby a hye menua.
But I have me cake because I have seen a tofu.
Obapa yentio.
Anya madam to be a friend or two. Or free tap at the side. None no call you chrome, talk or sunny mammy aba. No, no, didn't my meeting at Tibai. And some would do can listen. I move for cars or move back where is Legon. It's a one, I want to kind of man, my minister say, or be pie. Weather. Or say, what's such a name? I was so nasty. Toli.
Yeah. Yam pick your last call, Malaika. Yo, Toli Mashi, why don't you? We didn't baby out share.
The free fitting call.
Who didn't say?
We didn't answer.
You catch it, ain't you?
Toli me say.
Aha.
Can't is not come off you are no one.
No nipa wu osuma nobody na be sin kodo yum na we na da ko ba ku ye nobody never omo tika ni ma na omo ba safunyu na safunyu ba ku peja sana Bedford can't it Bedford car no that can jump ye no wa tran e fia so it o man nyu so awotele issue now I just issue awotele issue now I just
issue
toli
where we wo ka be me anka be hu ati wani mu ati wo ye pon wa dwane ati ye pon wa dwane ati wo ye pon wa dwane
next time from what
yeah sabo highly spiritual
Medafopa Nansen Meka na waka Kaneno da na wada Osemeketepa Frena na waba Nsempi ne shishe utrim Sese wuhu me kra Wunti me hwe menim da wakata weni Ebo me krumizim Wasi eniti ana agregu Abregu Asembe ba debi Tobo asio
Some right with their left,
It be left to us to do what's right, yes. I did walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I know they fear who, still got to pep in my step. The game be foul, I did watch the ref. I know even build a house, but I built a rep. Down go take cement, let's get concrete. Word on the street, stand on your own 2 feet. More cocksure than unsure. Or come for noche, I conjure the stool for y'all, so you can stand on a pedestal. And Motia will be 10 feet tall. I don't need to rob Peter for me to pay Paul. I don't snooze or snore or booze and brawl. I the guy when I goes ball, there for a ball. You might see me smiling when it ain't all good. For me, this is pure joy. For some, it's a chore.
You see me smiling, somebody they see me flying. I know be gonna look for your own. Leave me alone.
Life is a game for a fool, a dream for the wise, comedy for the rich, tragedy for the poor. This one be roll call. One thing for sure, 2 things for certain before the curtain call. I decay, all you could hear be the talkatives. It's a new year, I know they hear my prerogative. All white everything, celebrate with handkerchiefs. Bisa Katie, I'm running out of adjectives. I got a pot to pissin', Vim Yazo. Charlie, I'm straight, no need to scrape for the council. Laughing to the bank, waterproof, Bob Santo. It gets messy, that means it's basta, we go advance.
You know me once and I'm making one. Jamming in yourself, baby, I'll be a day. And you get it, we are single, baby. I want ya got crack, and some Canada, so oh, be my woman. Yeah, be no be my woman. Now I'm a phobe, now every video I saw. Soon you I'm now. If you see me smiling,
so Obamaphobe, you know, more age than if you was to know. I got a musicians, more lyrics rough. Today, I'm man, woman must have. Say my like it, you know, or you show musician one running a hard. My like a Ghana musician, Ben, I'll crash one or so. Why? That's a big musician. Ghana musician, Ben, I'll crash one or so. Miss Malika, Ghana musician, Ben, I'll crash one or so. Jose. Baba, Ghana musician be na over crash one so. Ghana musician be. Aketi ama hu. Aketi is missing in action. Aketi baby I will be a pon adwane wo me chiwa be hu. Ghana musician be na over crash one so. Ose.
Wechi hwan bi.
Ebiem.
Wechi hwan bi.
Manimu so e.
Wanim so wa.
Salvado. Charlie, mama LM. Mama LM.
As one of lemon.
Mama LM.
La. Yes, when he come in, who will be that? I think of buy was maybe you say, no.
What's that? I fed you, Nana, open one.
Anyway.
So we be obi a yo papa. E di ka gbire ho. Men fiti preko pen na siaza. Oske ni bi ena sika dore wona ho. O sika yie. O nuane. O ka se duane ma ne duane ba. Ana otu ni ka se o kwa bono ko se na abonten se bi abonten abra botie.
Sa.
Ento ti ka mo no ho se mo mi ni be septa fa to so o ma twintwam. Woni wi nwura. Emema amo wigra
amo hwinwura
enwura wa amo hwinwura ne sana obi say ogyan say mrante mo mra
sa
ede ne ham
aw
asa minim sa ponchi na winwura so nipa mo winwura say no say ja komodi e be say busumi ni biane ba ko pe ni edi no aw mo bi ko fena me ko ma biane ni
sa
ana ba ko so ene we de me pa cho me wo ma me no metim no ma kan so feel free for mo try kan ni etika ni 2 year kwa na ba ko say oskani let me shut up. Sepeta Friday, Obi no basing. I said, oh, I will over your bed. Mo wana mo we name mo me one neck and mura bi ofio. Ah me dem mo kwakwa wie. Akwa ne tika so. Organize ye baby we ya.
Yo, black eye.
Akida, I would say. We're going for a commercial break, man.
They say my gun and wants my music. She have another than the rest. My woman too clean, you know that you like the best.
Say me dream more, yeah, me choice. I wear the smile, no the best. Who will show me my journey twice? Oh, yeah, me vice. Hey, come and see my woman, Pape. And what you do, man, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. Pape. See my woman, Pape. And what you do, man, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell me that's Pape.
All the hits and more.
Baby, she a boss. My baby, she be papa. She don't like how much you share. She be real, but like she don't be fake. The way you do, they make me want to crazy. Girl, I see in the building, see my woman, I just she don't like no do bitching. I bring a woman, we know in tradition. Then I wanna, she don't like too much nagging. Oh, mama, now you hear me dead. Oh, do me pin the granny dead. Oh, we are good, man, so much. Oh, me ready. Come on. Let's make love tonight. Me day. And she do me right. Go and see my woman, Pape. And what it do, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell the grass, Pape. See my woman, Pape. And what it do, Pape. Yeah, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell the grass, Pape.
What's the one we get for ya? What was it? What's the chief? I'm a home payment of I'm a visa media. No. When them sing, I'm a kind of way. I wouldn't can will be coming all because my kind of quest. Sister, so when family, she said, oh, yeah, no, fit dance, no, me coco, no. It don't have me, but we pay. Oh, yeah, me pono. No. I'm on the done in for no. My name and I'm major friends. Let me tell you, hey. When you say, Ebana, I'm fed there. Say, when it's here, if you have I want the body in this wine swash. She got it. Henny, Brad, she give me the more, baby. Hey, I see me see a day on dry away. Yeah, I'm with you, because I am.
Come and see my woman, Pape. And what it do, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell the grass, Pape. See my woman, Pape. And what it do, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell the grass, Pape. Come and see my woman, Pape. And what it do, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell the grass, Pape. See my woman, Pape. And what it do, Pape. She know the tea, she know the flex, Pape. You know, tell the grass, Pape.
So bet net champions in Africa ha. And yeah, bet where Emma or Quenya Modi nim dia ye juma. Stress course ye be so Afcon game BM. Nya point na be di kan wo leaderboard ne so. Now bet me di 60,000 Ghana cedis akofie. Entry ye free. For Hushemu ne na champions in Africa ha. Betway kwa.
Betway for the love of the game.
Abuso men kran kwantuo. Emu won sensem bebre. Emu ya
Every singing saying ya wo baye. Ghana for Giatu. Amene adansidie no. Ba neba.
Onyem no dia no tafe pa ne diehu. No onyem ntafo we say ndie no pechiwie.
Onyem de otim say de no dipa ehire.
Benyema dabo nkwan ne fufu.
Yeda mo ase se mo somu. Demum munkoso a na muntie nyinsan ane awo. Esanse pina ne wo ho ayede bro.
Emma dodo na no a omotaye tia sama na ya mpen dodo na omasiswa ahwe ye durubra obewo a obehia se ye beye no operation.
Enti kwasia da wei ene kwasia da bia numere no nwoche shiafia amankwa tamaklo wonyinsen ene awo dwumadi a yede bro e wa Adom 106.3 FM abofo eye Elaine Mother Care and a healthy soul nyinsen ne awo obewo fawo afawo
Pitro kakamio minro kakamio
Empanyine se wure free ukrom hina ban a woyira wodwabo ase sanso na obinim a obikire na sede be ya enchima behu ya mamre ne ya mane wo bramu nsem emu susumpidie ene nkunimdie wo mu nti ena Adom FM ye de kenkan me dwumadi abro kenkan mi o kenkan mi dwumadi mu ye kenkan ngoma abenfo ne ani ntratro na ye wi a ye de ye kire me kire drama enwumpa ene special effect afra ne mane ye de se
Edisi, enti won so wan bo me bi.
Ene, me no mienu.
Yewia, yesinkunya, ne bobo ensema adi ahemfre wo ngoma ni mu, ne asua de afrim. Esansa nyansa ni ba kufu otrimu nti. Yema wakwanya na wafre akye wadwene. Na de ehyemu kena kwa, ene abakwasam nketenkete. Yebu nkompon, ekoyechi, ekohwe abakwasam a ewo ngoma ni mu. Ene nti kwasia da wi, ene kwasia da bia, hia na wo se bonsu, kwantifi bofo wo pamhyen. Wane na pamfo, no wonfa kinkan mi dwumade mrew. Ewa atom 106.3 FM so. Kinkan mi o, kinkan.
O feeling like yana.
She, me feeling no pa.
Edi kosi city of PPP ahankro na watch biara.
Edi kosi emre ahasa biara a ubetwa 1 minute edumu.
Sesia lucky 3 jackpot. I am so. Ubetimi edi akopim 500,000 Ghana cedis na watch biara. Tobo na minchechro mu. Foul phone na bo star 987 hash. Wo MTN Airtel Tigo so. Edi o chechro phone echi. Yi numbers mi ensa free edumu na se bomwa. Ubotom be ye bo.
Iti foul phone na box star 987 hash.
Wo MTN Airtel Tigo so.
Lucky 3.
Get lucky, be happy.
Lucky 3 Jumeji. Kid our National Lottery Authority na Debreye. NLE development through games. Jumeji in Shishe Kakra da home.
Okay, welcome back to the show. This is Memeneda Sokooo live on Adom 106.3 FM. Memeneda Sokooo in starting the same one and we feel baby live on Adom 106.3. This is how we do. It's all about 1, 2, 3. Maybe I be fine. We'll be ending in line. Yeah. We'll be ending in line.
Black one way. Yeah. So sorry, I'm not so I said, Davy, I give it to
Bisakede.
Baba, Madan, my apple.
Okay. Where you Baba from? Why an apple? Okay.
Making no the via no teacher. Making no the my first water. Copy the times they go make you happy. I had to not and I pay a baby. This is as we alone. Make it watch your moves in the hall and try to be a player. Make sure the agents play never and don't let the questions confuse you. Make the things they be smarter than every student. Yeah. Yeah. Cause we are poor, they help you. Even in the hole. Yeah. Yeah, then the kappa until passes and I say, oh, I say, Davy, I give it to Apple. Hey, all the praise for Apple. Give it to Apple. Hey, I can't baby, I want to copy your car. Apple. Give it to Apple. All the praise for Apple. Hey, give it to Apple. Apple. Exam no be joke, it no be easy. It is a weapon to your travel season. Through the reading, through the learning. A ya copy boko. Now be passing cause your slow teeth is better than no teething. Do something, take a notebook. Yeah. Cause exams be used, so leave the room smiling. I say copy what you don't know. Choose the hard way and copy. And if it be for you true cheating and giraffing, give it to Papa. All the praise for Papa. Oh, give it to Papa. Ayaka, baby, I want to copy Papa. Give it to Papa. All the praise for Papa. Ayaka, baby, I want to copy Papa. No, be you, they set questions. If you are they make man they sweat. Sometimes you know if you want to learn. But I put it on paper and I want my way. And then today, no one of deck. It just be you how they go copy them. So if they be for you, I give it to our boy. Give it to our boy. Ayaka, baby, I want to copy our boy. Give it to our boy. All the praise for our boy.
Give me any mentors. Let me for
Hey, give me Openi Barape.
Give me any mentors.
The same be young. Openi Yanko.
Yeah. Me yakwada ke try me to make it a mic. You might get there any nigga be say I. Maybe would have one shot, maybe mic. Yeah, my dear, any nigga me bike. Hey. Go. Okay. Mangasika 1 pound, me de go to buy. When is the car run down? Metopra for the buy. Surround the bottom round. What the best show? Why we name a dear Siana? Kwalabe Filo. That was a weapon. Energy that you was which I never Bengasika 1 day. I hit Yama. When is the car because I had me a farm. Plus 1, a 2 in my dear. Makai and Avonda, Suzuki, Nega Beba Honda, Lomoki, Beba Badi Mr. Kwanza, Kobi, to me, my Obia cancer, because he got a bagana. We are more some that we are made in China. Oh no, I am a painter. Jesus Christ was born in a manger. Me too, I was born in a ganja. Fisakasa had a Koran, may a rasta. When they were a whiner, Umbrana Diana, was a whiner, or what you was ama.
Yo, give that hey, give it to Baba. Our boy. Give it to our boy. Give it to our boy. Okay, all right. Live on Facebook, Salome Yaro says, good show, guys. Abna Yabo says, good morning, guys. Diakre Frederick says, good morning, guys. Alhaji. Organization, the Chile na make messages so at 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 the Chile na ya kind messages so at the Chile na ya kind messages so at the Chile na ya kind messages so 1 2 3 4 you can't message you Facebook, you can't message you Paulo Wusu, we see you. Maxwell Amwaku, we see you too. Yaira Segbefia, we see you. And Cisco Enoch says, I'm watching you guys live from Napoli, Italy. And greetings to my lovely wife. And Michael Kwabena says, this guy is very serious and creative. Thank you so very much. Eric Abe says, nice one, bro. Kabu Amano says, watching you guys live from Ningo Pram. Kwabena Mpofu says, these guys, yeah, you. John Tai, watching you guys from New Ebrim. Wishing them good luck. And Benamwaku, we see you. Felix Elvis Bade, we see you. Freddie Kofi Abi, we see you. Messages no dots, wankasa million tons, ankasa. And a message ne temo ankasa. But a honey a DBC. Okay, one sunny, give us freestyle. One sunny, give us freestyle. One sunny. My morning, soon. One sunny freestyle. Nentry radio to say carbon and chewy. You say carbon. Ajibro. One sunny. Yemreja. I was saying, yes, sorry. So, my kish. Okay, do, one, go. Now the deed is over. Now the glorious shadows of the evening. So